Yo guys, and what's up, and welcome back here once again to this new live stream. Finally doing another live stream here, of course. Feeling already a little bit better here, but of course we will see how this live stream will go here. So thank you already for tuning in here. I see we're already having 400 live viewers, so thank you guys for already joining the stream here, getting comfortable, of course. And guys, it's very interesting what we are right now once again seeing here in the Bitcoin chart, in the Ethereum price chart, and of course all these other altcoins. And guys, you have to know we will discuss every single thing here in the live stream. We will try to do and discuss everything here, of course. So thank you already for this Monday here. Guys, you are tuning in on the Monday. Also for me, the week is once again starting. New week, we are right now in the month of March. So a new month, new possibilities. And of course, a monthly candle close, guys. So it is very interesting, and we will see what we are going to say about the chart right now. And if I first of all look to the chart of Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin forming this falling wedge, but right now it is looking like on the 4-hourly that we have multiple touches. We already had 3 to 4 touches, and right now we are breaking out to the top side of this channel. So 47k is the price where we are right now sitting to, and yesterday evening we dipped below the 44k, so we went down to 43.1k here. Of course, very low prices for Bitcoin and very good buying opportunities, and very very cheap price. And people are already saying, how do you feel? I feel still a little bit ill here, especially my nose and my headache, minor headache. But got my coffee here and have a special mug here. It's the Crypto Rover mug, so I'm gonna enjoy my my coffee, of course. So guys, thank you already for tuning in here, and we're going to discuss everything what we are going to see with Bitcoin. And if you measure the price target of this this move that we are going to see here, it is saying that we are going to push the price higher than 55k here. But guys, you have to know, new week, new possibilities, and probably this week will be the reversal week for Bitcoin. So we will have to wait and see if we're going to create a local higher high here, because creating a lower high structure, of course, is only pushing the price lower. So hopefully it won't be another lower high that we're right now setting. And let's see if we're going to create a higher high in the immediate short term. So a lot of interesting things that we're right now seeing with Bitcoin. If you look to the smaller time frames here, you can also see multiple scenarios now playing out here, breaking first this previous resistance line over here, and then you were trading against the other resistance line, and here we also broke through. So in my opinion, the immediate short term is not looking very bad here. Breaking the resistance line, very important of course for Bitcoin, and maybe we can right now look for a reversal in the price of Bitcoin. So of course, looking forward to the stream. We just also opened a new 1 hourly candle because we just opened the stream here, and you also know how late we are streaming. So tomorrow also will be a little bit different here with the stream, because tomorrow I have to do something, so it will be probably a little bit later here tomorrow, the stream. So of course it's going to be a little bit different, but already saying to you guys, and also going to announce the winner of the Nano Ledger X giveaway here live in the stream. And guys, make sure to already smash up the likes. I see we have already 700 watchers, and people are saying, are you selling your mugs? No, I'm not going to sell them, but I will be giving away more mugs here in the streams in the coming days, because yeah, of course I would love to give something back to you guys, and I'm not going to sell it or so. I'm just going to give it away. So, of course, Bitcoin right now pretty interesting in my opinion, and you are also seeing other altcoins gain pretty nice here. Chainlink, of course, doing a pretty good job here, and also looking at Chainlink here, I was seeing this scenario here. If I look to Chainlink, very interesting. Let me remove these lines here first. I mean, if you look to the daily candles of Chainlink, it is looking pretty bullish in my opinion, because if I look to the daily candles here, of course, you can see here, previously this gray box was acting as resistance, and right now this gray box is holding up as support. So basically, of course, if you look at the bigger picture, first we had struggles breaking this gray box, then we broke above it, and right now we are retesting this as support. And guys, where do you want to buy? You want to buy at support. I mean, you want to buy after a correction. And right now, this is looking like it is giving us the opportunity to buy pretty good here into Chainlink. And also, I still have on my personal account my swing trade open on Chainlink here, and definitely going to keep it open here. And I mean, we can definitely increase in price here once again for Chainlink, and maybe kickstart a new season here for these altcoins. And also, if you saw my video of yesterday, you can see here, if you go to my channel here, yesterday, unfortunately, because I was not feeling all too well here, I was basically uploading a video because, yeah, of course, it was a little bit easier for me, and I was not feeling well enough for a live stream, so I did that. And in that video, I discussed a lot of interesting things here, so we'll give you my thoughts real quickly about the video right away here, because, guys, this is very important in my opinion, because, yeah, you can see Chainlink, of course, suffering, and a lot of people are right now in fear that Chainlink is going to suffer even more here. But then you have to know, once everyone is in fear, we want to be buying, because that is, in the end of the day, the most profitable scenario here. Because if you look to the chart right now, you can see the daily RSI almost dipping below the 25 area. So that is meaning that we are in oversold territorium. And always, once we are in oversold territorium, it's a very good buying opportunity. And also, this gray box acting as very significant support in the past here, as you can see over here. You can see support, support, support. And then here, resistance once we were below it, resistance, and always here you can see we broke above it, and right now it held as support. And maybe if we're going to see another touch, it will most likely held as support once again here. So guys, very interesting buying opportunities for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin at least. And if you look to this rising wedge scenario here, you can see we have multiple touches on the support line over here. And of course here we wick below it, but I mean, not wick below, we closed some daily candles below it. And after that we re-enter it, and right now we are trading on it once again. And it is looking like that we are getting supported by this right now. So I mean, guys, you have to know, in my opinion, Ethereum is looking very strong compared to Bitcoin right now, because you want to buy at the lows and sell at the highs. Guys, it's always very unfortunate to say, but once we are at these high stages over here, I'm always saying, okay, be careful. Maybe the momentum is going to shift anytime soon here. And I know that a lot of people don't like me to say this, but guys, I want to be realistic. And if I look to the chart right now, everyone is feeling very bearish on Ethereum. And always, once everyone is feeling bearish, you want to feel bullish actually, and you want to buy into this coin. And of course, probably Cardano, probably Chainlink will give better returns than Ethereum. And because Ethereum will grow so quickly, I think the other top 10 coins will also grow very quickly, because Ethereum is just dragging them along, and these other coins will only gain more and more and more. And Guys, you have to know, in my opinion, Ethereum giving you a very good buying opportunity, and I think March will be the month of Ethereum, and I have to give it already, and probably, maybe it is not going to be the first week of March, maybe it's going to take a little bit longer here, but guys, I do feel very bullish on the altcoins in the coming month of March, and I'm not saying that Ethereum will outperform Cardano, because I still think Cardano and Chainlink, etc. will perform better than Ethereum here, so yeah, guys, I mean, I'm looking forward to this month of March already, probably you guys as well, and I'm looking forward to spend my time with you guys once again here. So make sure to already smash up the likes here. And bull run and dates change. Yeah, in my opinion, yes, because we are seeing this minor retracement here. I will give you more thoughts once we are going further and further in the bull run, of course. But yeah, of course, the more cool-off periods we're seeing, the more longer we can extend this bull run. So, guys, I would love to see a lot of retracements, of course, for the Bitcoin price. And yeah, in my opinion, yes, the momentum can shift here in the immediate short term, but we will have to wait and see how this will go here. We will have to wait and see how it will go here. So, guys, we will discuss a lot of charts here, of course, with you guys. We'll also take another sip of my coffee. So I am expecting some phone calls today. So maybe I have to be AFK for a second today, but of course it will only be for a couple minutes here. So I will look at some charts here. I will also look at the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart for a second on the daily candles. And guys, as you can see on the daily, not a lot of interesting things right now. You are seeing that we are once again getting this bounce from the gray box here, and because we're getting this bounce from the gray box, is very nice, of course. And yeah, looking forward to break this resistance line over here once again. We're heading towards this line, of course, but it will take us a little bit longer. Probably a couple days here, and of course I do want to see the break of this level. It's very important that we're going to break this level, of course, because this can push the price of Chainlink really higher compared to Bitcoin. And if you look to Chainlink compared to Ethereum, still trading above critical resistance, and we have a lot of support below us. So I mean, this is also looking strong here for Chainlink compared to Ethereum, also breaking this critical resistance line. I'm curious where we are heading towards here in the coming days and coming months here for Chainlink compared to Ethereum as well. And of course, a lot of people are feeling very bullish here on Cardano. And if I look to the Cardano chart here on Binance, I mean, yeah, this is of course looking very strong here in my opinion. I mean, of course, yeah, we are creating a lot of wicks here on the top side, and we are getting rejected multiple times here on the daily candles here of the $1.40 here. And still because we are getting these rejections, of course, I feel still very bullish, because you can see in the past how Cardano is acting here. You can see once we were about to clear the $1.10 here, you saw a lot of wicks getting created on the top side. You saw a lot of supportive bounces from the lower Fibonacci level. So right now we are seeing some kind of the same structure. We are trading once again between these ranges, and we are trading once again between these ranges, and because we are trading between these ranges, probably looking for a breakout anytime soon here. So Ikafo also donated €5, so thank you for your donation. Very nice for your super chat. You're saying, hi boss, can you please check VeChain? And of course I will check VeChain for you. So VeChain, of course, always very interesting price chart, a very interesting price action. So yeah, we will look into Chainlink here for you, my friends. So thank you for your super chat, of course. I have to adjust this real quickly here. So yeah, if we look to VeChain here in the immediate short term, let's look at the daily candles first. You can see yellow supportive line is holding up pretty strong here, and once we're getting another bounce, we'll be very if we're getting another touch here of this yellow line, definitely a good buying opportunity here around these levels. But yeah, you can see 3.618 previously already discussed, of course, on the chart, holding up as very strong resistance, and this previous level was holding up as support. So I mean, clearing this previous support level once again around the 2.618 here is yeah, of course, sitting for the 4.5 cents here for VeChain. But I mean, it was acting as support and will now right now act as resistance, as you can see also over here, creating this wick here. So this line here around the 4.5 cents here will also push us a little bit more to the downside here. So we have to be careful, and we want to see this breakthrough of this line before flopping insane bullish once again on VeChain. But I mean, if you look to the top where we are right now, it's still a 30% decrease in price. So once again on this coin, on VeChain, also getting a pretty good sell-off right now. Of course, we are on the daily RSI also reversing once again to the upside. So finally, we are seeing some cool-off periods for all these altcoins. You are seeing the RSIs resetting here. So once we are always seeing these retraces coming in, and we are seeing these retraces with a lot of coins right now, it is once again giving you a very good opportunity. And if you bought at these lower levels at the previous support line, you could have bought at a sale of approximately 43% here. So guys, you had a lot of good buying opportunities here, also with VeChain. And VeChain is not the only coin what was giving this insane sale here. But I mean, if you look to the chart, support line still holding up very strong here. But of course, probably we'll find some resistance around the 4.5 cents here. But once we are breaking it, looking to retest the previous high here once again. Looking to retest it once again here. Hey guys, we were looking at this Ethereum chart here, that Ethereum was going to bounce to the top side of the channel. And if we're going to see a bounce to the top side of the channel from here on, will be approximately, probably will take, of course, 30 days or so. It will be approximately a 45 to 50% increase of price. So Ethereum will increase 50% in price compared to Bitcoin. And of course, that will be quite significant. So let's see, because if Bitcoin is increasing 50%, Ethereum will increase 50% above that. So that's very interesting. And if we're going to search 50% already from here on, we are trading around $2,200 US. So definitely the reason why I'm also scaling in a little bit more into Ethereum, because I do think Ethereum is really, really strong right now. And also Chainlink showing a lot of strength here. Showing a lot of strength and maybe breaking this resistance line here, what we are also possibly watching here. So I mean, yeah, Chainlink also doing a very good job here. So looking forward to see what Chainlink is heading towards, of course. Yeah, because Chainlink, yeah, absolutely crushing it right now. And I see a lot of requests coming in here, guys. We have 272 likes right now. Make sure to smash up the likes. Will be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. Right now, having almost 1,300 live viewers. Would be amazing if you're sharing the video and you're already showing enough support. If you're only smashing up that like button, would be amazing. Would mean a lot for me. And we're already live for 16 minutes here, guys. And you have to know, we will try to go live for as long as possible. Of course, still recovering a little bit here. Also, the COVID test. So maybe I got COVID here, but I don't really think I have it, to be honest. But yeah, well, we'll keep you guys up to date, of course, about my mental state here. But yeah, we'll try and do the most amount of videos here and live streams. But guys, I'm looking forward, of course, how we going to do this streaming here. But yeah, make sure to smash up the like already if you want to support me. Smash those likes up. Yeah, Corey Williams, that's completely true. Completely true here. And Cardano also creating an uptrend here in the immediate short term on the 1 hourly candles here. So maybe reversing once again to the upside here. So let's see how this will go here for the price of Cardano. And Cardano, very interesting chart, of course. Right now today, the hard fork update. So of course, looking forward to how this will end here for the price of Cardano as well. And guys, we have a lot of price action here. A lot of very interesting projects, and still have to say this real quickly here, because if I look to the price chart of Polkastarter, guys, this coin of course had an insane surge to the upside, and we were watching this coin already. It was peaking around the $7.50 here. Very insane job by Polkastarter, of course. But right now, once again, getting this huge sell-off to approximately levels around the $3.80 here, and also sell off approximately 50%. So once again, this coin also giving you a very good buying opportunity. And you can see over here that, yeah, you can right now buy at the Fibonacci level, of course. What is holding up is very strong support here. And I still believe in the project, and I'm hugely exposed to it. And I'll also ride it this way to the downside here, because I know for sure no coin is going up so quickly and goes up in a straight line here and just goes parabolic here. Of course, we already went parabolic, but this is not how the market works. You always want to see a cool-off period, and after that cool-off period, you can see another blast up to the upside. So guys, really, really good buying opportunities right now. And guys, if you're spamming in the chat, you will get blocked here, so please don't spam in the chat here. But yeah, I mean, if you look to the chart of Polkastarter, definitely giving you very, very cheap buying opportunity right now. And be careful. Be careful here. And Gina is also saying March will be a good month here. The rep month is happened in advance. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to the month of March here to spend my time with you guys once again here. Also 24 likes away from the 400. Let's see if we can reach it. I think we can. And also Crypto.com, guys. Once again, talking about this coin. Of course, I feel very bullish about this coin. You already know it probably. And if you know that I feel very bullish about this coin, you have to know that I probably will say the same to you once again here. Of course, no financial advice. Will never give my financial advice here to you guys. You have to know it. It's a quick disclaimer here. But in my opinion, once again, getting a very, very good buying opportunity here to scale into crypto.com here, and of course feeling very bullish about this coin. And this is of course looking very strong in my opinion. If you want to buy it right now, once again buying at a Fibonacci level, buying at the support line. So I mean, definitely giving you a very good buying opportunity here. So of course I love this coin, and I'm also hugely exposed to this coin. And I know for sure that we're probably going to see a very, very nice breakout of this coin. Also in the immediate short term, breaking the downtrend here. So this can already give us maybe some momentum shift to the upside here. So of course, that will be very, very good here for the immediate short term for this coin. But yeah, of course, probably it's all Bitcoin to watch right now. Because yeah, Bitcoin is leading the way here, flipping very nice candles into the green here. So of course, very exciting times here for the price chart of Bitcoin. Very exciting times. So, let me see. Where do you take profits if you bought in the dip? I mean, I'm definitely going to ride the next wave up here. Definitely going to ride the next wave up here. And I'm not looking to take profits till we are nearing the end of the bull run. And guys, you have to know, also did some research once again here. I just did some quick thoughts here. Let me get old altcoin here. Let's go to which coins should we take? It doesn't really matter, to be honest. But I want to choose a coin that was already around here for a longer period of time. Don't want to take the Zcash here because if I take Zcash, yeah, of course it's a different project because it's a. I think the privacy tokens won't do a very good job here. That's my reason. Where well, I will take just quickly Neo here if Neo is standing here. Oh, Neo's 29 P29. Okay, yeah, Neo is also not doing a very good job here. But guys, I will just quickly show you this here because I still think that we are not even close to the end of this bull run here, guys. I think we're not even close to the end of the bull run. Okay, listen up here because we're just right now starting once again here, and I also think for the altcoins will explode massively once again here. And Little Blue Elephant, and I will look at your donation in a second here, but I mean, guys, I still think that we are just starting here with the bull run, and you are just getting ready here. So still buying at these lower levels because here you can see a massive increase, and then approximately a dump of 50% here, and then still you had this very good buying opportunity here. Still had this very good buying opportunity. So I mean, should definitely benefit from it here. So yeah, guys, please. Don't, of course, always do your own research here, but right now getting a very good buying opportunity to step into some altcoins. So Little Blue Elephant, you also, thank you for your super chat. Good to see you're feeling better, Crypto Rover. Will there be another dip in the next 24 hours? I missed the dip, so I can't buy anything. Did I miss the boat? Oh, that's very important that you didn't buy anything here. And very hard to say that this is the dip, of course, because we are still in the downtrend. We are still creating lower lows here, and we haven't created a higher high yet. So I cannot confirm yet that we are that we broke the downtrend. Of course, we broke very critical resistance levels, what is already a very good thing here. But in my opinion, yeah, we do also want to break. I mean, we do also want to set a new local high here, because if we're going to break the lower high structure, and I have a very good example of it, because you can see over here, I was talking about this by then also, and probably not a lot of people were following me by this time, but yeah, you can see lower high trajectory. We are in a lower high trajectory and also a lower low trajectory. So we're basically in a downtrend, and I told you guys, if I'm going to see a new higher high getting created, I will flip bullish and also a higher low. So here we created a higher high and a higher low. So this was typical, a reversal pattern. The trend was shifting. The downtrend shifted once again to the uptrend. So, I mean, this is what I would like to see, to really see a confirmation coming in here. And for now, I'm not seeing a confirmation yet because we didn't clearly make a new higher high, and we also didn't clearly set a higher low. So, guys, yeah, you have to know, still, of course, we can still have another pullback here, but we will have to wait and see how this coming Monday and coming Tuesday, of course, will go to. It all depends on the coming days here. Are we going to create a higher high here? That would be, of course, very, very nice if we can do so. So, yeah, still recovering a little bit here. Probably you hear also a little bit of a voice here. What they are saying, let me see if you guys have some questions here. My nose is also very red here because, I don't know, allergic reaction. So yeah, of course we'll look into possibilities here today. And I did a upgrade here with my update here with my face cam, but still not working well. It's very annoying. So yeah, Bitcoin right now seeing follow through getting created. Would like to see, of course, some more green candles coming in here. Would like to see more green candles coming in here. I found it in a few weeks ago. Did I mess up? No, definitely not. Of course, yeah, you are following into crypto a few weeks ago, but still, you are in crypto and you are getting exposed. And at these levels, I do still think you're pretty early. And also getting a super chat from Anon, and you're saying check out economy for us, and then you're saying rocket ship with hard eyes. So you are saying it's an NFT gem here, and unfortunately, let me see, economic coin. That's not the coin, I think. So economy. Economy right now not sitting on coin market cap, so I will go to CoinGecko here for you. Oh, I'm sorry for the background noise here. Check out economy. I mean, oh wait, I'm writing it wrong here. The tag is Nomi, so I mean Nomi. Oh, it's Ami. Sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I cannot read here. Omni is not on, not over here, man. I do want to check it out on TradingView, to be honest, but cannot check it because it's not over there here. But yeah, you can see past 90 days here. Of course, no price action at all, and right now it is exploding to the upside here. Right now sitting around the 0.002 cents here. It is doing a good job in terms of market cap and volume. It's increasing and increasing only more and more, and I mean, yeah, very interesting. Only very unfortunate that I cannot find it over here. Maybe if I search for economy, no, I cannot even find it over here. But yeah, not on TradingView, unfortunately. That's of course very unfortunate. But I will take a look here, and I don't really know the project. I mean, of course, not going to do my research here live in the stream. But it is a ledger company. They're trying to build a premium license digital collectibles for distributed ledger technology. So of course, don't really know the exact fundamentals of this coin, and of course probably is increasing because it has some very good fundamentals, and that's also the reason if you want to buy into this coin, yeah, you definitely want to look at the fundamentals here. But of course, market cap is still unknown here, so have to wait and see how this will go here. Probably a very hyped coin that right now is really becoming very hyped, so should be careful with it. But yeah, if it has good fundamentals here, yeah, definitely a good hold, man. I hope it's for you. And please don't spam in the chat here, guys. And this is on the lower time frame. I will make this a little bit less thick here, to be honest. And of course, in the lower time frames, also forming some kind of a structure here on the Bitcoin price. Maybe some kind of a parallel channel here on the Bitcoin price, to be honest. If you look to the 5-minute chart, you can see right now forming this, and yeah, you can right now see that we are on the top of the channel. So probably also on the 5-minute, a little bit overextended. This is just for the immediate short term here. I'm sorry. This is just for the immediate short term here, so probably getting a correction right now. Probably pushes the price a little bit low here, but I mean, wouldn't be all too bad here. That's for the immediate short term, and maybe having another retest of this previous support line flipping into a previous resistance line flipping into support. So, of course, looking forward to how this will end here. Looking forward. Do you have your apple with yourself? Of course, I always have my apple. Yesterday, I always try to eat as much apples, of course, because I want to stay healthy here and I want to recover as soon as possible. And vitamins are a very good material to recover, of course. So yeah, maybe in the immediate short term we have to keep an eye out on this parallel channel here, because then we can see where it will head towards. So also, we'll look at the Bitcoin dominance here once again. Of course, still trading in these levels, still trading in these ranges, guys. And you have to know it. Already watching to the chart a longer period of time, and we were already saying, okay, this yellow line will most likely act as very significant resistance. And yeah, as you can see right now, still holding up as resistance, creating a lot of wicks on both sides. So basically, we're just going a little bit sideways, and you can see the RSI going a little bit higher here. So. Yeah, we are cooling off, we are solidifying right now, and we are making ourselves ready for another leg to the downside, in my opinion. If I see the RSI cooling off like this, in my opinion, yes, we can see another leg down here, and it can be a very significant one, of course. So, of course, I will be looking forward to see this correction coming in here in the Bitcoin dominance, because then these altcoins will gain more and more and more. And guys, I can see only 60 likes away from the 500 likes. Will be amazing if we can reach it, of course, live in the stream. So let's see if we can do so. Will be, of course, very, very nice. Bring your daily Apple to daily Rover show. Yeah, that will be amazing, of course. But yeah, still a little bit recovering. So don't know for how long this stream will last here. But of course, we'll try and do my best to last it for the longest period, of course. Because yeah, I think it can be a very really exciting day today. Yeah, if you look at this chart, the Bitcoin price bounced pretty nicely here, of course, from the 45.7. 45.7k, yeah, still holding up here, creating a lot of wicks here. And we did close the daily candle below this, but yeah, as you can see right now, it's still bouncing back to the upside here. And let's see if we're not going to create a wick here. It would be, of course, very bad for the Bitcoin price. Also, 4-hourly candle going to close 2 hours. And 27 minutes, so of course very exciting times here in the Bitcoin price. And also, guys, the channel having 21.5k subscribers. I mean, absolutely looking forward to it. And yeah, thank you so much for already subscribing once again to the channel here, because we're heading towards 22k here. And I'm of course looking forward to spend my time with you guys here. And of course looking forward. So let me see. Okay, look at DOT, of course. I mean, DOT is also broke the downtrend here previously. And right now still trading at this, I mean, we still got a supportive bounce from this previous Fibonacci level here. What is holding up is very significant resistance in the past here, and also holding up is pretty strong support right now. And I still think DOT is a little bit undervalued here, because 88 taken off here. I still think DOT has huge potential here. And also, especially once Ethereum will gain in the month of March, I know for sure DOT and the other altcoins will gain even faster and even more here. So guys, that is the reason why I'm hugely exposed to these coins, and also want to enter more swing trades into these coins. So. And Marcus also donated, thank you for your super chat, and you're saying in first hand and shoulders on the Bitcoin 1 hourly. Already confirming it, I think. So we'll look, of course, at your scenario here. And yeah, you can say we are right now seeing an in first hand and shoulders playing out, but I mean, it's not the most beautiful one. Let me get hand and shoulders here. I mean, you're probably looking to the scenario of the left shoulder. I mean, let me see on the 1 hourly. Are you looking to this scenario over here? Depends on which time frame you're looking at it. But yeah, you can say shoulder, head, but it's not the most beautiful one, because you're in a downtrend, so it's very hard to say. And especially in first hand and shoulders, of course, maybe yeah, you're probably talking about this one here. But I mean, then you are having this lower line over here. You're probably talking about this one over here. So let me know if you're talking about this one, because then you can see. I mean, this is not really a clear hand and shoulders here, but I mean, I don't really see a clear hand and shoulders here in this one, because I mean, if you're downward sloping head and shoulders, so head and shoulders like this here. If you have a head and shoulders like this, I don't like to trade inverse head and shoulders that are having a neckline that is going to the downside, because this is basically showing us, okay, yeah, a head and shoulders is basically a pattern, because an inverse head and shoulders is working, because you can see the momentum is shifting to the upside, because you have less and less sell orders. So this is basically saying, okay, we are gaining back here in price, but what we are seeing right here to the chart, you are still creating a lower low. So that is the reason why I would not like to play inverse hand and shoulders around these levels here. And Tyrone also donated here, so I don't really like the inverse and the shoulders pattern, but you're probably looking for right now. And if you're talking about this one here, because this one of course maybe can be a little bit clearer, but I don't know. Still not really like it. So Tyrone also donated here. Hi Rover, hope you're feeling better. Which do you prefer, ADA or Link? At what price would you enter right now? Also, would you recommend a good long for the price of Ethereum? Thank you for great content. And of course, no financial advisor, but first of all, if you really want to enter a position in Ethereum, and I still think that Ethereum will do very, very good here compared to Bitcoin, because I still think that we are in this channel and right now bouncing to the upside, and that's very likely to see this bounce coming in here. And I mean, where would you recommend entering a good long for Ethereum? I mean, yeah, I'm also looking for entering a swing trade on Ethereum, and also already sending a lot of my Bitcoins right now into Ethereum, because I do think that I'm going to make more gains here in the coming month with Ethereum. And that is also what you want to do here. You want to scale a little bit. If you're over bought into Bitcoin, if you have a lot of Bitcoin, maybe it's right now the time to shift a little bit more into Ethereum, and that's also the reason why we do want to open a swing trade on Ethereum. And right now we will be looking for an entry, but of course we want to look for a perfect entry, and right now already breaking this downtrend, and maybe this was a fake out over here, and if you see this as a fake out here, you can see we are trading in the symmetrical descending triangle, and the target can be around the $1,800. But first we have to wait and see. Also have this next resistance line over here, so we will wait for an entry here. And what do you prefer, ADA or Link? Still think ADA will be definitely a very good buy here, but also think Link has huge potential, of course. Cannot say one or the other at the moment here, because I still feel bullish on them both, and still think that ADO of course will lift off here to the upside, and also Chainlink will definitely do the same here. So yeah, thank you for supporting the donation, but I can't really say you which I prefer right now, ADO or Link. Can't not really say it. And I still think ADA or Link, I still think because I feel very bullish right now if I look to the if I feel very bullish if you look to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. But I mean, still, these other altcoins will gain more than Ethereum, because Ethereum won't give the highest returns, I know for sure. Because also already the highest market capitalization, and yeah, will give lesser returns. And I do think coins like Chainlink will perform very, very well here compared to Ethereum, because I still think Chainlink will even outperform Ethereum, and Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. So looking forward to the insane gains that we are going to make here in the coming month of March here with these altcoins, because yeah, I'm hugely exposed to altcoins, and I'm looking forward to make some insane money here with you guys, of course. Looking forward already. BTC correction over, like we told you before, we cannot confirm it yet here, but of course looking for a confirmation to see that this downtrend is over here. Looking for a confirmation. So cannot confirm it right now yet, so cannot confirm it yet that the downtrend is over here. But yeah, right now seeing volatility getting great for Bitcoin and these other altcoins. Very nice here. And also Monday, new week started. The weekend is over. So let's see if we can get some more volume in here and maybe see some very interesting prices here, of course. Fall here for the price of Bitcoin will be, of course, very nice if we can do so. Would be very nice if we can see so, by the way. So also getting another super chat in here from Junior Kutzer. You donated €5, so you're saying, good morning, Rover. Could you look at Phantom? Maybe buy a throat candy here with this money. Yeah, good strength. Yeah, I mean, I can definitely use maybe some throat candy here. So I will look at Phantom here for you, my friend. Also getting another super chat from someone. So we'll also look in your donation. Someone give me 1 second here. We'll quickly discuss first this super chat here. And yeah, can you please look at Phantom? And Phantom is doing pretty good here. If you look to the 1 hourly candles, you can see past 4 hours, yeah, very good for the price of Phantom here, in my opinion, because you can see once we were breaking above this line here, first was acting as resistance, and here we broke above it, and then you can see it was getting respected as support. But of course, Bitcoin freaked out, and you know what all happened here, and then we broke to the downside here, and we had multiple tests here on the top side. So it was acting as resistance once again here, but right now, just recently, just 4 hours ago, we broke above it once again here with the price of Phantom, and right now getting a supportive bounce from it. So Very nice to see here in the immediate short term. We are seeing once again resistance flipping into support. What is very crucial for this coin, because then it can probably look for some new higher highs getting created. Because I think it's doing already a pretty good job here. If you look to this, still decrease of approximately 36%. So I mean the decrease to this level was approximately 56%. So of course giving you very good buying opportunities in the past here. But still 36 decrease from the top here is also a very good buying opportunity. Yeah, on the 1 hour pretty overextended. So maybe looking for another correction here. And daily also cooling off very nice here, but yeah, you have to know also created here bearish divergences. It's very easy to create bearish divergences right now on the daily, so please be careful with this coin because it was very overextended right now and we can easily form some more bearish divergence. Someone also donated $10 so thank you so much for your donation. You are saying brand new to trading, been here for some buy and hold for a few months here. Can you explain the difference between swing trading and long and short, or any kind of trades basically? Of course I can, someone. First of all, swing trading is exactly the same with a long and short, but swing trading is basically, in my opinion, I'm always opening a swing trade with lower leverage because you're trying to catch a trade for the longer period of time because you're thinking, you're anticipating the market will rise here in the coming weeks here. So a swing trade is always a trade that you have open for a longer period of time here. And of course, it really depends on how the situation is, but right now the funding fees are pretty low here, so it's interesting to have a swing trade open here, and that's also the reason why I'm trying to open a lot of swing trades, because that is proved to, by me, at least from my side, a working strategy, what is very, very profitable here. You have to open them with low leverage here, in my opinion, because then you're running a low risk, and you can still ride them a little bit to the downside here, because you don't have necessarily call the market exactly. You can still see a minor move to the downside and still have your entry here. So using low leverage with your swing trading strategy, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice, guys. If you're trading, you totally have to do it at your own here. But that's also the reason why I do on my private account also some other trades. But yeah, we will be looking for swing trades because I'm anticipating that we're going to see some massive growth here in the coming month of March in these altcoins. Because I don't think that the downwards trend here won't last for long here, because there's so much hype around Bitcoin, so much hype around these altcoins, and that is the reason why we are looking for some swing trades, of course. And guys, by the way, only 12 likes away from the 600 likes. We are right now smashing it so hard here. And by the way, if you want to support me, you can use my referral links in the description. It would be very nice if you are doing so. It's completely free here. If you're using Bybit, you're getting up to $700 in bonus. That's absolutely insane here. So if you want to help me out here, make sure to smash up the likes here. And yeah, if you want to trade here, if you're new to trading, make sure to sign up with my referral link here, because I'm of course trying to educate you guys, and you will be helping me completely for free and supporting the channel. And also it's a win-win situation, because you're also getting some more bonuses once you're depositing your money yourself. And please don't spam in the chat here, but I will look at the BNB of course for a second here. And if I look to BNB here, very interesting what we are right now seeing here, because yeah, you can see once again downward sloping resistance line getting formed, and this resistance line was holding up for a longer period of time here, and you can see multiple touches at this level, multiple touches here, and I can see. Let me see. I'm also expecting still a phone call today, so have to keep an eye out here on my. On my telephone here as well. But I mean, yeah, you have this downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, multiple touches here, 6, 7, 8 touches here approximately, and right now breaking to the top side. So BNB immediate short term looking strong here, but also a huge sale from the top here, approximately 31% here. So very nice correction, very nice opportunity to buy into this coin right now, and they're trying. And they're trying, of course, to beat Ethereum, and that's also the strategy of Binance. And I mean, Binance has a huge team, huge developer team, and yeah, I mean, I'm definitely going to hold this for the long run. But right now, trading against resistance levels, because you can see this was previous support, and it will probably act as another time as resistance here in the immediate short term for BNB here. So I will be looking forward to this, of course. I will be looking forward to this, how this will end here for the BNB price. So we will keep an eye out on the chart of BNB here. Yeah, right now trading against resistance, very critical here. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin, more volatile getting created here, more and more volatile. So also a lot of coins, a lot of altcoins seeing very nice green candles right now, guys. Very nice green candles, and we are loving to see this, of course, because we are here, of course, for the gains. We are here, of course, for the gains. So yeah, I mean, Bitcoin doing a good job here. Ethereum doing a pretty good job here still. Gaining a little bit compared to Bitcoin. So Ethereum right now finally a little bit outperforming, at least for the past 2 hours here. Of course, we're not talking about the past few days here, because yeah, the past few days was very bad for Ethereum. But yeah, right now looking to see, of course, yeah, some new higher highs getting created for Ethereum. And Ethereum is showing a lot of volatility, of course, and we would like to see that, because we are very bullish here for the coming month here for the price of Chainlink. Sorry, for the price of Ethereum. And make sure, by the way, see 1,700 live viewers, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. Right now watching with 1.6k viewers. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again here. And we will be discussing every single factor here live in stream. Yeah, the month of February is over, so we have another monthly candle close here. And if you look to the monthly candle close, yeah, the previous candle close of the monthly, huge wick getting created on the previous candle close of the monthly. Of course, we went to 58k here, and then went all the way down here once again. So, I mean, yes, we created a big wick on the top side. And on the monthly, it looks like a blow off top here. But in my opinion, of course, not near. We are not near to the end here. So I mean, of course, I will be looking forward to how this will go here for the price of Bitcoin. And also, will just quickly look at the chart here. I mean, guys, you have to know we are just starting here. And there's also the name Broke, check HD and Flow for me. Of course, definitely, I will check it for you. But yeah, guys, you have to know Bitcoin just starting off here. And I will be looking forward to see how this will end here for Bitcoin, because I'm going to be a part of it. And I'm going to ride the journey to 100k here with you guys, if you're, of course, willing to. So, yes, I will definitely look at your HT for a second. Yobi token. Yeah, guys, you have to know, first of all, tokens from these exchanges are doing a very good job here. Tokens from exchanges are doing a very good job, just like Binance Coin, etc. Yeah, first of all, immediately can spot previous resistance as support, as you can see over here. This was acting as previous resistance, and right now is acting and holding up as support. And not a lot of interesting price chart, as you can see here. It was sitting at pretty low prices here for a long period of time. So, I mean, yeah, you could have bought this at pretty low prices here. And this was at the Corona dump here. And I mean, very hard to spot this coin, because also Yobi coin pretty overextended right now. If I look to the chart, I mean, you can see, of course, right now finding finally some support, and it looks like that this will be a very critical turning point in my opinion. Also, a lot of Fibonacci lines are holding up very strong here, acting as very significant support and resistance. But if I look to the chart right now, yeah, you can see this gray box here will probably hold up pretty well here, because, in my opinion, we can see this reversal coming in here, because this is a very critical level that usually holds up pretty well here, because this was the top of the previous trend here. And yeah, right now it's holding up very strong here. And do want to see the break of the Fibonacci levels once again here, because it will probably act as very significant resistance. But yeah, you can see we are once again in price discovery once we are going above this line here. And yeah, I mean, Yobi token, very interesting. Did my research yet, but can be very huge here, just like Crypto.com maybe, and Binance Coin. I don't know what their special developer team is doing, what they are focusing on, but of course, fundamentals are very important if you are buying into these coins. And also Flow, yeah, not a lot of information about this coin here, to be honest. But yeah, you are seeing an uptrend getting created here. You're seeing an uptrend getting created, uptrend getting printed here. So, I mean, very nice to see this uptrend getting created here. It's a very stealth uptrend right now, what you're seeing. So, yeah, be careful, because once we are breaking below this line, can definitely reverse the price and reverse the trend here. Because, yeah, this trend line is right now pretty strong to the upside. And also getting a donation here from Dirty D. And Dirty D, thank you so much for your donation. You're saying, ha ha ha, I always catch you after work. Go to sleep right now. Long the small BTC at 47.4k here. Oh, well, if it goes down, I bought 5k ADA at $1. Much love for you. And yeah, good night, my friend Dirty D. Good night, my friend. So very nice that you bought into ADA once it was sitting around $1. You're making some very nice profits, and of course we are loving to make some profits. So you're doing a very good job here. And man, good night. Good night. But yeah, very hard to give my opinion about Flow here, but I do want to see this supportive line getting held, of course. Do want to see the supportive line getting held here. Let's flip this back to the 1 hourly candle here for Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, still seeing the follow through. 10 minutes still, we are going to close this 1 hourly candle here. And Ethereum, Chainlink is doing a very good job here if I look at the chart of Chainlink. Because, like I told you already in the trade here, also in my private account. And yeah, Chainlink is holding up very strong here. And I mean, also 10 minutes still, we're going to close this candle. It really depends on how you draw it. Maybe there's a possibility to draw it a little bit more like this. You can see, okay, already having this breakout. So, I mean, yeah, Chainlink is looking very strong here. And, of course, I'm in a swing trade, so I'm trying to hold this open for a longer period of time. And maybe trying to catch the bottom right now here. So, $26.6. Guys, it's very cheap what we are right now trading on. So, I'm trying to get this insane swing trade entry, guys. I'm trying to get this insane swing trade entry. And I'm using a pretty nice quantity here. So yeah, definitely trying to catch some more swing trades, and also with the trading challenge, would like to catch some more swing trades. Also for Bitcoin, would like to enter one if we're seeing another retracement, because still think on the 5 minute, on the lower time frames, we are pretty overextended. So we can find some kind of reversal anytime soon here. And once we're seeing a reversal, definitely we'll be looking for maybe a swing trade for Bitcoin as well here for the trading challenge, because we'd like to get a swing trade in here, because I do think that we can really reverse to the upside here. But do want also to see a higher low getting created here before really saying that. So I do want to see a higher low. So the letter here also donated $5 US. And thank you so much for donating. First of all, thank you for your super chat. And you are saying bought 8K ADA at 30 cents and could not be have been any happier. And man, very nice here. I'm also very glad because I bought ADA at 6 cents here. And guys, you are crushing it if you bought ADA so low here. And I'm definitely going to hold ADA here. I'm planning to hold all my altcoins. I'm not planning to hold... I mean, I'm not planning to time the market here, but I don't think that it is the end of ADA yet here, because ADA, of course, doing a very good job here. And I will start cashing out here once we're going to higher levels here. I find $1.26 way too cheap here to cash out already my ADA here. So the letter E, you are also doing a very good job here. And let's see if we're going to ride this journey all together here to the upside. And also maybe looking to stake some ADA here. I don't know how you guys think about that. Let me know in the chat. But yeah, ADA, of course, doing a very good job here. Let me see. A lot of people are saying I bought ADA at 27 cents here, 30 cents. So, I mean, a lot of you guys are very nice profits here because you bought ADA at such a low price. Yeah, ADA is surged pretty quickly to the upside, by the way, because I'm already holding ADA for such a long period of time here. And yeah, of course, you had very cheap buying opportunities, very cheap opportunities to buy ADA. I bought it in... I don't know exactly when I bought it, but I already hold it for a very long period of time. I cannot even remember the exact date here, but I know there was this run-up over here, and in the dump I bought somewhere, and I know I was holding it at a loss for a long period of time, but guys, you have to know, once you're in a loss, yeah, you know what crypto is here. I was only buying more, of course. So Ryder doing a very good job here. So I mean, I'm looking forward to see Cardano, of course, set some new all-time highs here. Already setting a new all-time high around $1.48 here. But yeah, of course, we're looking to these $2, maybe $4, maybe $5 for Cardano. And it can definitely be very possible here for Cardano, in my opinion. Can definitely be possible here. So guys, the gains will be insane here once we are going higher with Cardano here. And yeah, we will be looking forward to see these gains getting made here. We will be looking forward, of course. And probably you guys as well here. So also, I mean, swing trading is very nice here, because if we're really going to see a reversal here, you can know it can go up very quickly with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can easily sit around the previous all-time high here in maybe let's say 5 days or so. That will be an increase of 25% here in coming 5 days. So definitely looking to open the swing trade as well on Bitcoin. But first, want to see, like I told you before, really want to see the reversal coming in here, setting a higher low, setting a higher high in the immediate short term here. So, of course, looking forward to open some trades here, and also looking forward to enter more and more into altcoins here, because, guys, altcoin season hasn't started by a single bit here. Hasn't started for a single bit here. So, yeah, we will be looking forward here live in the stream. It is so expensive already. Yes, it is pretty expensive right now. I get it. And that is also the reason, of course, if you're already exposed to Cardano, very good job. And I won't buy it anymore because I think there are some other projects with more potential in percentage-wise. But I think it's a very good buy if you want to have a safe approach. It will definitely do very, very good in this bull run. I know for sure that Cardano will give you some massive returns here in this coming bull run because, yeah, there's just a lot of hype around it. And also, it's already sitting around P3 here. A lot of people know about it. The community is very strong here. And this coming bull run, it will be a very, very insane bull run, guys. And the price can definitely increase to maybe $5 in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice. But, yeah, we can definitely see a very insane increase of price here with the price chart of Cardano. And, guys, by the way, only 3 likes away from the 700 likes. Will be amazing if we can reach the 700 likes here in the stream. Let's see if we can do so. Would be very amazing if we can. And also, I can see we're heading towards the 21.6k subscribers. So would be very nice if you're supporting the channel as well here with a subscription. If you're new to the channel here, make sure to consider a subscription if you want to support me out here, because I can see only 50% of all the watchers are subscribed. So it would be very nice if you're subscribing to the channel, of course, because we're heading towards 30k, of course, heading towards 22k here. So looking forward already to it. I'm looking forward already to it. But yeah, guys, yeah, still have to wait and see how this will go for Bitcoin here. I mean, it's looking very strong here. We would like to get some new entries here for the price of Bitcoin, of course. Would like, but yeah, definitely looking forward to get some new entries in here, guys. And already accumulating a lot since this dump, but a lot of CRO and a lot of other coins. So CRO also feeling very bullish about this coin, just like I told you before, breaking this downtrend already in this 1 hourly time frame. Do want to get this a little bit less thick here. So yeah, guys, if you want to scale into Bitcoin, if you want to scale into altcoins, still definitely a very good buying opportunity here. So, guys, I will be looking forward to make some massive gains here because, yeah, right now you want to buy at the lows, you want to buy at the fair. And, of course, I'm not saying that we're going to see another leg down here because I still haven't confirmed it, still haven't confirmed the break to the upside here. We're also getting almost an overbought territorium, so can definitely see another retracement coming in here. But, I mean, guys, it is very likely for Bitcoin to reverse anytime soon here because, yeah, we are very strong in Bitcoin. We are a very strong community. Not a lot of people are looking to sell here. And right now it's just the dumb money what is shifting out here, and already got the shake out a moment ago here, and only the strong holders kept. And then we couldn't went lower than 29k here. And with all these big institutions right now looking to step into Bitcoin, they can really push up the price even more here. So, guys, I mean, yeah, Bitcoin is definitely looking very strong here. Bitcoin is definitely looking very strong. And what if we look at this chart here, by the way? Yeah, it's not showing a lot of significance. And please don't spam in the chat here. And also getting another super chat here from Patrick. And Patrick, thank you for your super chat. Patrick, you are saying a Polkadot price prediction in this bull run. Thank you. And I think Polkadot has huge potential here in this coming bull market here. At least Polkadot's right this thing around 31 billion US dollars. So I still think that we're going to see a 5 to 8x, let's say 5 to 8x here for Polkadot. So I still think it's very likely to see a Polkadot sitting around 200 US dollars. It will be a very realistic prediction, approximately $200. So, guys, in my opinion, you can still buy pretty cheap here. 200 to 240 US dollars will be definitely a target for Polkadot to maybe top out. And of course, the project is a very, very good project, and it's also going to perform very well here in the coming bull run. I know for sure. Of course, no financial advice. And Polkadot right now also flipping very nice into the green here. Polkadot doing a very good job here. So it is also the reason why we do want to enter a swing trade on Polkadot, because we feel very bullish about Polkadot, and I do want to write this to new optimize here, and I want to be a part of this. Yeah, the history be made here with Polkadot. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it already. And also the funding fees are pretty low right now. If I look at the funding fees, sitting around 0.01% here, guys. That's pretty low here. So that's the reason why I'm looking to enter a lot of swing trades here, because swing trades are very interesting once the funding rates are very low, and they are very low right now. And you have to know, always once the funding fees are low, and we were saying this to you guys as well once we were over here. I flip it to the daily candles here on Bitcoin. The funding fees on Bitcoin were also dropping so fast here once we were seeing this retracement in the month of January. And we told you guys over here, it was approximately the 27th of 25 of January. We were seeing that the funding fees were dipping negative. So that was basically saying to us that we were getting paid to be in a position. In a long position, in a swing trade, you're getting paid to be in a position. Always once these funding fees are dropping below zero, it's basically once again giving you a very good long opportunity, in my opinion, because yeah, the price was shaken down, and that was the reason why a lot of longs got liquidated, a lot of longs got shaken out, a lot of longs got stopped out, and that was also the reason why the funding fees were cooling off here. So always once the funding fees are pretty low here, definitely a good buying opportunity, definitely a good long opportunity in a bull market at least. So of course in a bear market it's way different here, but in a bull market, once the funding fees are dropping lower, it's giving you a very good opportunity to open a position here. So guys, right now once again giving you a very good position to open a swing trade. Also opening a new 1 hourly candle here and having 1700 live viewers. Make sure to smash up the likes. Only 30 likes away from the 800. So it would be amazing if we can reach the 1000 likes here as soon as possible here with you guys. I mean, I will be looking forward to see this 1000 likes getting reached there and printing this new 1 hourly candle. Of course, right now flipping it into the green here. So looking forward how this will end here for the coming hours here. So yeah, guys, make sure to already smash up the likes if you want to see me continue the live stream for even longer here, because I would like to continue the live stream for longer and longer. But of course, it also a little bit depends on my health here, because I was a little bit ill here, also still recovering here, but would like to do the a long live stream here, of course. Would like to do a long live stream here and also look into my trade. I'm getting feeling very well if I look to my Chainlink swing trade here, and probably we will be looking for another entry here once Bitcoin is reversing here, because I still think if you look to the lower time frame, Bitcoin is pretty overextended if you look to the 5 minutes. So let's see how this will go here for the price of Bitcoin. So we would like to enter a swing trade on Bitcoin as well here, because if we're going to create a higher low here, definitely maybe looking for some kind of a reversal in the price of Bitcoin. But still have to wait and see if we're really going to see this reversal coming in here. But then we will definitely look for this entry for a swing trade position here. But yeah, right now on the lower time frames, Bitcoin pretty overextended. So looking to see some kind of retracement coming in here. And maybe we're going to see some very interesting news here. And then with the Bitcoin price can pump as well here. Maybe a big company is going to push the price higher, just like previous. And I do think once we're going further and further in this bull run, more and more companies will announce that they're holding Bitcoin. I think very huge companies, they will drive the FOMO, just like Elon Musk did already over here. Once he was pumping the price here, he was driving the FOMO, and we were live by then as well here. But I mean, he will be driving the FOMO as well. I mean, these large companies, imagine if some other companies like Amazon, they're going to announce that they bought Bitcoin. I mean, the price will absolutely skyrocket to the upside here, and of course the alts will lag behind once we're seeing so, and that was also the reason why Ethereum was not lagging behind. But maybe there will come an announcement that someone is holding Ethereum or Cardano, and that can be definitely pushing the price higher of these altcoins. And also with Chainlink, I would like to see Chainlink, of course, explode here, and still anticipating it. And I mean, if you look to the daily here, very good buying opportunity right now. Still, if you want to buy into Chainlink, still think Chainlink is ready to blast off as well here. And also, we're looking to this chart yesterday. I mean, if I look to this chart, looks like a clear support has been found here, and yeah, I will be looking to see a clear bounce to the upside coming in here. So I mean, I'm feeling very strong here already. Also, 1800 live viewers, guys, thank you so much, and especially for the 800 likes, guys, you're insane here. Always once I'm asking it to smash up the likes here, you guys are doing so, so that is very nice. But guys, you have to know, you haven't missed the boat yet here. You are still early, because man, you will be surprised where we will be sitting here in the coming 7 months here. In the coming 6 months, you can see a Chainlink sit around the $200, in my opinion, guys. So don't be surprised. Don't get fooled here. I still think Chainlink is giving you a very good buying opportunity and relative safe buying opportunity. And of course, no financial advice here. But I mean, I feel very bullish about Chainlink here in the immediate short term. And that's also the reason why I'm trying to hold swing trades in Chainlink, and also the reason why I'm trying to hold more and more Ethereum along the way here. So guys, of course, no financial advice, but I will be looking forward to hold my position open for a long period of time. And if you want to do it as well here, you can use my Bybit referral link, because I'm taking this trade right now on Bybit. I have the swing trade open on Bybit here, but if you want to do it, you can also do it on Femex if you would like to. But yeah, of course, always trade at your own risk here, and always do your own research here. Don't rush into anything here. But I mean, definitely, I've only with a 5x have a trade open here, but yeah, just sitting around, taking it slow here, and looking to create some new all-time highs here for Chainlink. Definitely a very nice drink. But yeah, I won't be surprised if I see Chainlink sitting around $200 here in, let's say 6 months or so. The last leg up here in the bull market will go the fastest, guys. You have to know it. It's just history. What is going to repeat itself once again here? It's just history, and everyone is saying, okay, it's not predictable here. It's just purely speculation. Yeah, it's maybe a little bit speculation, but I think history will repeat itself. Humans will get too greedy here. They will buy into these altcoins. They don't even know what they are buying into, and they're absolutely getting wrecked here. And we are going to dump on these newbies. Actually, because I will be selling my Chainlink once we're going so high, and they are looking to buy more. So guys, taking profits is also very important to do so once we're going higher. And we on this channel, at least I will tell you once I'm taking profits here. So yeah, of course, right now not even close to taking profits yet. In my opinion, the crypto space is just starting off here, and I'm not going to lose out right now because entering right now it would still be a very good possibility in my opinion. Leverage trading will still, I mean, this would be still a very good opinion to get into the market here. And of course, yeah, like I told you before, I do still want to see a higher high getting created, so I can really say, okay, the trend is right now reversing. But yeah, we will have to wait and see how this will go here, of course. Have to wait and see how this will go here. Big B, hello, good morning. Good morning, welcome to the stream. Hey, what is your opinion about Ethereum in 2021 here? It's very hard to say here, but I still think Ethereum won't grow so fast that a lot of people are saying right now. I think 4 to 6K will be a very likely target for Ethereum to reach. Nayam, thank you for super chat. You're saying any swing recommendations also on ADA? I mean, be careful with ADA. Of course, I feel very bullish about ADA, but yeah, market sitting pretty low here. But if I want to get a swing trade onto Cardano, I do want to enter at lower prices than right here. I mean, if you really want to get a swing trade, do want to see another correction to the downside, and that can be a correction towards $1.60 here, but that would be still a correction of 6% here. So looking, of course, if we're going to see another retracement, looking for a swing trade, but right now would be stupid if we're rushing in here. So yeah, looking forward, of course, to getting an entry here, but I would like to see a retracement before entering a new swing trade here on Cardano, because yeah, as you already know here, we are looking to open more swing trades here, because that will be the way to go here, in my opinion. That will be the way to go here. So yeah, I will be looking forward, of course, how this will end here for the price of Ethereum. Let me see. What do you recommend for long-term hold if you're new into crypto? I just told you. I mean, if you're new to crypto, I would recommend buying safe assets here first before looking further. And I mean, safe assets will be definitely a coin in the top 10 here. And safe assets will be at least a Chainlink, Polkadot, Cardano, Binance coin. Definitely good safe assets with, in my opinion, not a lot of risk here. And especially for the coming month here, I think these altcoins will do good here because Ethereum is showing a lot of strength here compared to Bitcoin. I mean, it's showing a lot of fear here. And guys, you have to know, you know what Bitcoin is, you know how crypto works. Buy the fear, sell the greed. So, I mean, a lot of fear right now in the Ethereum price chart, and also seeing that we are trading on support. So, in my opinion, definitely looking forward to see how this will end here for the price of Ethereum and the price of the altcoins especially. So, yeah, we will be looking forward to it. We will be looking forward to it, of course, on the channel. And I can see only 23 subscribers away from the 21.6K. So I will be looking forward to reach it also in the stream here. Oliver also donated £2 here, and you are saying, how long do you hold your trades for? How long do you hold your trades for, bro? Depends. But I mean, these swing trades that I want to open right now, at least for the coming 2 weeks here, in my opinion. Of course, it all depends on the funding fees here. So we'll keep an eye out on the funding fees here, because that will be the leading indicator where I will stop out or will take profits. It all depends on yeah, the funding fees here. So yeah, once I'm closing or once I'm doing anything here, we'll keep you guys up to date, of course. And also, like I told you, in 5 minutes on the lower time frames, Bitcoin was pretty overextended. So yeah, right now seeing a minor correction here in the immediate short term. So I mean, that's not all too bad here. It's not really weird here. And by the way, 3 likes away from the 900 likes would be amazing if we can reach it, of course. It would be truly amazing if we can do so. Would be truly amazing, of course. And especially for 900. That's absolutely insane. I have to go to the toilet. Give me 1 minute here. Give me 1 minute. Quickly had to grab... quickly had to clear my nose here because, of course, I'm feeling still a little bit ill here. So, still going good here. And people are saying Ethereum high gas fees. And yeah, true. Ethereum has very high gas fees. But I don't think, of course, it is an indicator why Cardano is right now pumping and why Polkadot is pumping, of course. Definitely. Yeah, we were already watching this scenario over here. That we were getting stopped out because we're also heading towards the top side of this channel here. And that we were trading in some kind of a parallel channel if you look to the lower time frame at least. If I corrupt this, if I look to this parallel channel. I mean, yeah, definitely we can look at the parallel channel here. Definitely in the lower time frames we can look at the parallel channel. So retracement to levels to see something like this here. I mean, retracement to 46.4k would definitely not be... it won't surprise me, to be honest. But if we're going to see something like this here, that will be definitely very, very bullish here in the immediate short term. But I mean, 5 minute does have to cool off for a second here. Maybe go a little bit sideways here, and then go higher. But also, won't be surprised if we're going to see a retracement here coming down for Bitcoin. But at least we're cooling off for the immediate short term here. So, of course, looking forward to what we are going to do here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. We'll flip this to a little bit of a higher time frame because, yeah, 5 minutes, of course, very low time frame. Very low time frame. Will Cardano ever hit $10? Yeah, maybe in 5 years, but I don't think it's likely to hit $10 in this coming bull run. And if we're doing so, I mean, that would be, of course, very, very cool if we can do so. It would be very cool if we can do so. Yeah, so the 1 hourly candle is flipping red for now, at least. Can Bitcoin hit 50k today? It's Bitcoin. It can do anything. It can do anything what it wants. So yeah, I'm not saying that it's not going to hit 50k today. Yeah, and Ethereum is just is doing a very good job compared to Bitcoin at least. For the last day here, already a very nice green candle here. So of course, yeah, it's really logic to see Ethereum finally gain a little bit compared to Bitcoin. But yeah, also touching this line here is maybe already enough for blast off. But still have to wait and see some more confirmations. Do want to see the follow through getting created. But if we're going to see something like this already, yeah, probably it's very likely to see the target getting met anytime soon here. And I still think, I still stand behind my word that I did yesterday in the stream here. I mean, yesterday in the video here. 10k of you guys watched there. So, guys, thank you so much for watching yesterday. And I mean, yeah, definitely we'll be looking for this entry over here. Definitely. Yeah, that's one reason why I do think March can be very strong here for the coming for these altcoins, especially of course Ethereum. But I do think still, like I told you before, these other altcoins will benefit from it as well, like Cardano. And also getting another super chat from Oliver. And you are saying, can you plus 2 positions dips even if it's raised? U plus 2 positions. What do you mean? Can you plus 2 positions? Oliver, please explain me exactly what you mean with that. I don't really get your point here. If I read it or I read it wrong here. Can you plus 2 positions dips even if it raises? So yeah, let me know in the chat, Oliver. And yeah, getting bought back up here already with the price of Bitcoin, of course. So that's very strong, very good here. Bitcoin showing a lot of strength here. So yeah, of course, we'd like to see a lot of strength. Can you add to your positions? Sorry, max word count. Yes, you can definitely add, especially when swing trading. I would like to add some more to my positions because once we're going higher here, it's very nice in my opinion to add more to a position because right now, let's say I'm here in Chainlink trade here. Let's say that I'm in the swing trade of Chainlink, and let's flip it to the daily. Let's say you have 200. Let's say 200 quantity, just for 100 quantity. So you have 100 quantity into this coin, and I will make it a very good good example here for you. Give me a second. Where do I have my text? Where can you add text? I never use text editors. Ah, here it is. Okay, so let's say, for instance, you have entered here with 100 quantity. And you want to add another time 100 quantity. And you want to do it once we're reaching the all-time high. Say, for instance, we're reaching the all-time high, and you want to enter add another 100 quantity here. And okay, yeah, you're adding another 100 quantity, and then of course, your initial entry price was sitting around the 24, let's say 24 US dollars. So 24 US dollars was your first entry price, and your next entry price will be $38. Let's say for the easy sakes, just round numbers, $28. So that is a difference of $14, and $14 divided by 2 is $7. So your entry price will be $7 higher than the 24 US dollars. So your entry price will go to $31. Because you're averaging in more, so your entry price is also moving higher. But you only want to add more to your position once you are seeing a clear retracement. And then you think, okay, definitely the price can reverse to the upside here, and then you're entering here, and then you have your entry a little bit lower. So yes, you can add to your position once swing trading, and that is a very good thing in my opinion, that you want to be careful, because otherwise you're wrecking your trades here, because yeah, you do want to get with a good amount of quantity into the trade, of course. But yes, you can definitely add more to your trade here once we are going higher and higher. And we will certainly also do it. At least I'm doing it because I'm liking to do so. Anything under 2K for Ethereum is a steal. Yeah, I mean, Ethereum under 2K is still good here. You're buying very cheap here. In my opinion, $1,500 US is a very cheap Ethereum, in my opinion. Very cheap Ethereum. I mean, yeah, once again, getting this huge sell-off, guys. I mean, once we're sitting at these high levels here, you wish that you could have bought here around 1,440 US dollars. And I mean, they are right now sitting at 1,515. I mean, definitely a good buying opportunity here. And guys, by the way, 40 likes away. 40 likes away from the 1,000 likes. So let's see if we can smash through the 1,000 likes here. Would be amazing if we can do so. And you will be supporting the channel completely for free. So if you just joined into the stream, make sure to smash up the likes here. Would be absolutely insane if we can reach it, of course. And would be absolutely insane if we can reach it, of course, all together. And I do think it's very likely that we are going to reach it here live in the stream here. So, of course, we'd like to continue the stream for as long as possible here. Because, yeah, the price action is getting very interesting, of course. And would like to spend my time with you guys here, of course, in the stream. Looking forward already to it, of course. Bitcoin's still a minor cool-off period here on the 5-minute pretty overextended. So maybe look, we just smashed through the 1,000 likes here, guys. You are awesome. You have to know it. You guys are supporting so strong here on the channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for showing so much support. Just don't know what to say here. Do you use lipstick? No, it's not lipstick. It's probably something with the camera settings. And also, yeah, I have a little bit of a dry lips, so I have some something on it, but no lipstick. It's probably some kind of camera setting, some kind of lighting as well here. Bitcoin down to 41k here. If we're going to 41k here, I mean, don't think it's really likely. But if we're doing so, yes, we're creating a lower low here, and will definitely also give us a very good buying opportunity to buy that dip as well. Hit the likes, yeah, guys. You are insane. Already heading towards 1,100 likes here. 1,040 likes already, guys. Thank you so much. I always, once I'm asking you one time to smash up the likes, you guys are doing it in an insane way here. So thank you so much. I don't know what to say here. You guys are truly legends. But yeah, I mean, yeah, Bitcoin, very interesting. And yeah, we are liking to see this, of course. And, oh man, oh man, oh man. Swing trades, of course, I love them. I love them. Looking forward to the gains already. Looking forward for Bitcoin setting a new all-time high here and dragging these altcoins along him. Looking forward to it, of course. Hope you're feeling better, Mr. Rover. Yes, feeling already a little bit better here. So, thank you for your check here on me. Okay, check Litecoin, and definitely I will check Litecoin because Litecoin is a very interesting coin, of course. Very interesting coin. And let's see what we are right now thinking about Litecoin here altogether. Having 1,800 watchers live, thank you so much for tuning in here. But yeah, guys, I'll quickly look at Litecoin. Of course, very interesting chart once again here. Getting a supportive bounce from this Fibonacci level here. Of course, very interesting that we are seeing this bounce coming in here. But still in this downtrend, just like we are with Ethereum, just like we are in Bitcoin. So I do want to see a new local high getting created because we are still on a lower low trajectory. And still, and please, don't spam in the chat, guys. I see a lot of people are saying ADA here. ADA army is waking up once again here. But please don't just spam in the chat here. But I will look into ADA after Litecoin here, guys. Okay, ADA army is a very strong army here. ADA is a very strong army, and okay, definitely we'll look at ADA, but please don't spam here because after this I will look at the ADA, and if you're still spamming, I will definitely do so. But yeah, right now still in the downtrend here with Litecoin. Very interesting to see, of course, but do want to set a local high at least, a higher local high to really identify that we are breaking the trend here. But yeah, if you look to the different chart here. If you look to this different chart, and yeah, I know that the ADA army is very strong here. I mean, this Fibonacci level above this line here, also, yeah, coming together with this Y line over here, this will act as very significant resistance here. And guys, you have to be careful if you're buying right now because we can get a major rejection here because this was previously already holding up as very strong support, and it will act as very significant resistance right now. So please be careful with entering right here. Please be careful because you can get wrecked pretty significantly. So you have to take it with caution if you're trading Litecoin right now. But I mean, yeah, we can definitely see a retracement coming in here once we're hitting this line once again here. Sorry, excuse me. But yeah, I will look at ADA here, and ADA, yeah, it's a very strong gang here. I know ADA is one of the strong community, one of the most strong communities right now. Usually it was also always XRP, but right now it's but yeah, right now it's just with ADA. And yeah, like we also discussed previously in the live stream, once we are setting this new auto high for ADA, we were feeling very bullish, of course, on ADA. We were creating this bearish divergence here on the 4-hourly time frame. Told you already, probably going to see some more volatility getting created, but yeah, in the end of the day, probably going to create still a higher low here. And yeah, what we are right now doing is still creating a higher low. So I mean, the uptrend is still intact here for the price chart of Cardano. So there's basically nothing to worry about if you look at the price chart of Cardano. And I am still feeling pretty bullish about this because yeah, we are creating maybe a new uptrend here over here. Yeah, you're creating probably some kind of a new uptrend here, a very stealth uptrend. So of course, looking forward to see how this will end for Cardano. But in my opinion, not feeling bearish or so on Cardano. Of course, the $1.40 here, very major resistance, and it was not likely to smash through it already in one time here. But yeah, right now consolidating under resistance. Looking forward to see this resistance getting broken, of course, for ADA, because this will act as the most significant resistance. And once we are closing above this line here for a couple moments here, once we are being above this line here and then seeing some consolidation above this line, and then we can really see lift off here, because previous autumn high flipping into support can definitely be a very good thing here. And I mean, I will be looking forward for Cardano to see it explode. And give me a second here because I'm getting a phone call. So I'm back again. Sorry, I had to take this quick phone call here. Expecting another one. So, of course, trying to handle this off quickly here. So, yeah, I mean, I still feel very, very bullish here for the price chart of Cardano. Still feel very bullish here. And so, still having over 1,000 likes here. Thank you so much for liking the content here. And let me see. Is everything doing still an okay job here? Yes, it is. Everyone is loving ADA right now. Everyone is loving ADA right now. Yeah, especially if you look to ADA compared to Ethereum. I mean, guys, already discussing this. And we were already witnessing that we are going to see ADA blast off here to the upside. Once we were seeing this chart. Oh, that's not my intention here, but I mean, we were already anticipating this, guys. You can see this structure. We broke it finally. We had a lot of fast run-ups to the upside and then see a major correction. And of course, we can still see a major correction and then see blast off. I mean, this correction coming down to this level where my head is right now. So maybe we can still meet this white line over here. So of course, if we're doing so, very good buying opportunity here compared to Ethereum. So I mean, yeah, if I look at the chart, if you zoom in a little bit here, I mean, guys, yeah, this is what I wanted to see here. I told you before, I do want to see the structure getting broken, and once we're seeing the structure getting broken here, yeah, I want to see these very nice green candles to the upside here. And then seeing maybe a retracement then, and then having another touch of this level, because if we're getting another touch around this level here, will definitely give you a very good buying opportunity. And maybe Ethereum, just Ethereum itself can gain a lot. And then we having this retest here, and then we can definitely buy into this coin. And also getting another donation here. And this donation is right now coming from Hike. So Hike, thank you so much for a $10 US donation. And you are saying, Rover, I respect the hustle. Keep it up here. What are your top 3 altcoins, top 3 coins here for this upcoming push here? And first of all, I have to go with a safe bet here, because this is just purely Ethereum, and I still think Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum will lead the way here in the coming month of March here, and Ethereum is of course the biggest altcoin here, and that is my reason why I do think Ethereum will lead the way here in the coming month of March, and there will coins that will follow, and of course still anticipating it for already a longer period of time. But the longer it take, the bigger the move is going to be here. So still, Chainlink definitely belongs to the top 3 here, and also Ethereum, of course, because Ethereum will lead the way here. And I have to go. I mean, there are a lot of coins here, but still, also Polkadot will definitely increase in price as well here once Ethereum is going higher and higher. But yeah, Cardano, of course, will also be dragged along in my opinion, but also very overextended. But I still feel very bullish about it. But I mean, I can say so much coins here about but it will be very good here and in the coming month of March here. But I mean, top 3 coins here for the upcoming push here with the most amount of percentage. I do think Chainlink and Polkadot will be definitely the 2 with the most amount of percentage, but I also have to choose Ethereum, because Ethereum will lead the pump here. So yeah, I mean, very exciting times, of course, very exciting times, and yeah, we will be looking forward to it, and that's also the reason why we are looking forward to open more swing trades here, because the month of March is going to be an insane month here, and we are going to witness this all together, guys. So yeah, definitely exciting times here, and yeah, I mean, I will be looking forward to see how this will end for the price of Bitcoin as well here, because also very curious what Bitcoin will do here, getting very exciting already. So yeah, let me see. So let me see if you guys have some questions. By the way, 13 likes away from the 1100. So going very quickly here, and let's see at the channel. Yeah, also hitting the 21.6k subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here. You guys are legends. Very close to the 22k here already. So looking forward, of course, to see this 22k target getting met here. Also in the subscription count here. So yeah, we're growing still quickly. Guys, yeah, of course, I'm loving to see this here. And yeah, Bitcoin still cooling off for a bit here. Still cooling off here, so it's very nice. Buy Chainlink, yeah, no financial advice, but yeah, definitely Chainlink, definitely a good buy. mean, this chart is one. It's just also making me feel very bullish. It's a very simple one, but yeah, just signifying that we are probably going to continue the trend here. And you can see also on the daily, this Fibonacci level is also meeting this gray box here. It's just all coming together. It's just a puzzle that is right now falling puzzle, and all we are just connecting the wicks here. And yeah, right now if you connect everything, you can see Chainlink once again giving you a very good buying opportunity here. So Crypto Consistence also donated. Thank you for your $5 donation. You're saying, can you check RSR? What is a good entry? And my friend, thank you for your super chat. And definitely we're going to check RSR here. Definitely going to check it here. And first of all, yeah, we were creating this stealth uptrend. And I'll flip this to the daily for a second here. Because if you look to the, if you look to the daily, yes, we were creating the stealth uptrend here. Unfortunately, we saw here some fake outs here. And also for hourly, faked out a lot of times here below this line and acted as resistance here once we were below it. But yeah, we came above it, went below it once again here. And then here we got supported once again from this line. So this uptrend is in general still intact here. Also here, a lot of supportive bounces on this line here. So I mean, definitely looking very strong here. Just joining the live official Dream Team. Welcome to the live stream here. But I mean, 1.272 here. Also very interesting level that we do want to break here on the RSR chart, and you're looking for an entry here, you're saying so. So I mean, yes, there will be a possibility to maybe enter this reverse, let me see, reverse rights, this coin. I don't know the fundamentals exactly, because I know a lot of people are talking about it, and I mean, once a lot of people are feeling bullish about the coin, I'm not buying into it, because I think it cannot really grow exponentially if already a lot of people are into it. These big institutions or these big players are not pumping these guys, because otherwise they're going to dump on them. So I mean, I don't really know the fundamentals, but I haven't looked into it yet. But I mean, yeah, you can see right now getting resistance. So buying right now, if you're willing to leverage trade right now, it would be very risky here in my opinion. But yeah, maybe if we're going to see a correction lower to levels around 4.9 cents here, 4.9 cents seems to hold up very, very strong here in the past history here. Also, a lot of touches, a lot of wicks got touched here. Also, once we were below it, it was acting as resistance. So yeah, definitely once we're heading towards the 4.9 cents here, it will be a very good entry. But right now, should not rush into anything here. Should not rush into anything here. And also, especially for the 1100 likes here, guys. Thank you so much for liking the content. You guys are insane. You guys are legends. And yeah, prices are increasing once again here for everything. And also, from Depoist donation, €5 from Shelra, and you are saying, let me look into it, because it always goes so quickly ahead of me. But yeah, that is basically my thoughts about RSR here.
Pas s'empaler pour les tuer, parce qu'en fait, si on meurt à ce moment-là, lui, il est tout seul, il peut quand même survivre. On a scanné à gauche, regarde-le, regarde-le.
So, I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was. That was pretty weird. I just heard all kinds of French guys talking about stuff, etc. But Shelro, thank you for today's. You are saying, hello from North Brabant. And you are saying, I noticed that you don't suffer from FOMO a lot. Any tips? And to open a long Ethereum position, do you advise to wait a little bit? Just open a position? Definitely going to wait a little bit longer here, because I still think that we are in the immediate short term pretty overextended here. And thank you for the donation, of course. And I mean, FOMO is the... Oh, always once I'm doing this, my camera is just glitching a little bit here. So, guys, FOMO is the worst. You don't want to get wrecked by FOMO. So yeah, I'm not trying to FOMO in here, and I'm only looking to the charts here, because you don't want to attach your emotions to it. And myself, I'm just looking to FOMO. And in the 5 minutes, we are finding bullish divergence here. So that's of course very nice here, to be honest. So bullish divergence on the 5 minutes. But I mean, yeah, FOMO is very important. And yeah, you can definitely right now open a position on Ethereum. I mean, I will be looking to open a swing trade as well on Ethereum, because I do think Ethereum can be very bullish here and very strong here in the immediate short term. And that's also the reason why I do want to enter some kinds of swing trades here also on Ethereum, because yeah, Ethereum can definitely increase in value quite significantly, and in a quite fast pace here as well. So yes, yeah, you can open a position here on Ethereum, but yeah, maybe we'll have to wait a little bit longer till we finally can see that this dump is over from Bitcoin, that we finally can see a higher low getting created, so we can really say, okay, right now it is showing us a reversal pattern. and right now probably going to reverse to the upside once again. So not rushing into anything right now, and that is once again FOMO, because sometimes a lot of guys always wants to be in a trade, and guys, we don't always want to be in a trade here. You can also have some days that you're not in a trade because we're only looking for clear opportunities here. So yeah, thank you for your donation. So James Holt also donated £5, so thank you for your £5 donation here. You're saying, what price action would be needed to happen to enter a BTC for trading challenge? I mean, first, like I told you already, what has to happen here? I want to see a clear reversal pattern. I want to see a clear W shape here. I mean, yeah, you can say, yeah, you're forming a W over here, but this is W with a lower low, and I don't like a W with lower low. So maybe I want to see something different here. Maybe I want to see, if we're going to see another correction, I want to see something like this here. But the thing what I would like the most here, I mean, there will be, of course, also a very nice pattern that we can play here. But the thing what I would like to see the most here is first creating a higher high than this previous high over here. And what would even be better here is if we're going to create a higher high than this previous high over here. So if we're going to reverse above or against the 52k here, and if we're going to go towards this level, probably going to see a correction. But I mean, that would definitely confirm that we are done with the downtrend here, and that we are going to reverse because we're creating a higher high and we will have more strength to the upside. So still have to wait a little bit longer till we're seeing a clear reversal in the price of Bitcoin. Still have to wait and see to see a clear reversal in the price of Bitcoin. And if you want to trade this as well, you can use my referral links here in the description. Would be absolutely lovely if you are using them. Yeah, you can trade them as well. You can swing trade over there, and definitely looking for some trade possibilities on Ethereum, because I still think that Ethereum is very, very bullish in my opinion, and that is the reason why we will be looking for some entries on Ethereum. And definitely you can also trade Ethereum on Bybit, and you can trade it on Vamex. But if you're trading on Bybit, you can trade with Ethereum yourself, so you're also accumulating more Ethereum and not accumulating more dollars. So I mean, I will be looking forward, of course, to open some more positions here. I'm probably going to show it also live in the stream here, but for now I'm still doing my private stuff here. So guys, yeah, definitely if you want to consider using my referral links here also on Bybit, would be of course very appreciated here. And yeah, we will definitely try and open more trades here live in the stream here. But yeah, only once we're seeing a clear opportunity at FOMO. We won't suffer from FOMO. We won't enter a trade if we're just seeing the price is oversold here, because we want to enter long positions here in the bull market. But yeah, right now the price is pretty so I said oversold, but I mean overbought here. So I'm not rushing into anything, and we can still see a minor retracement here to the downside here. But yeah, I'm anticipating a very, very nice entry here on the price of a Chainlink, because I'm already in Chainlink trade here for a long period of time. And I mean, yeah, Chainlink is just holding up very strong here, doing a very good job here. And also getting another super chat here from Acne, and you are saying appreciation for the very nice communication and the shout out to the guys in the Discord server, in the Discord voice channel. They are so helpful. And yeah, guys, that is also what we are doing here. And also right now, pinned in the live chat, if you haven't already, you can join our Discord server. Because in the Discord server, we are trying to build a strong community. And a lot of people are helping you out here in the voice channels, because they are helping you how you can open trades, how you can do anything. If you want to ask anything, you can join the Discord server, and you can ask these moderators everything. And also just the people in the Discord in general. They are so nice. I have never seen such a strong community, and we are building it right together right now at this moment, because we are just kickstarting here with crypto. We are just starting, and if you want to join us as well, if you want to be a part of the family, because we are becoming a very, very strong community and a very strong family here all together, you really want to join the Discord server as well here, because yeah, I mean, everyone is giving you these insane tips here and insane tricks here. I mean, yeah, definitely the reason why you want to join the Discord server. And yeah, I mean, yeah, everyone is just so helpful here, and that is also the reason why we are growing so quickly, in my opinion. So, yeah, literally a very big shout out to the people on the Discord server. People are saying, how can I join the Discord? You can go to the description here to find the Discord link here, or you can go in the live chat, because right now I have pinned it in the live chat if you want to join the Discord server as well here. So it would not be very hard to find here. And if you haven't already, you can also make an account completely for free. Discord is a very nice communication platform. You can just chat and chill around with each other in the voice chat or in the just the usual chat. So I mean, definitely a recommendation here if you want to get a little bit more exposed and also want to have a chat about crypto, etc. Definitely a must, in my opinion. Definitely a must, in my opinion. So yeah, let's look at Bitcoin. Right, yeah, right now look still at the 1 hourly time frame. We are seeing some kind of bullish divergence here, creating a lower low in the RSI. But of course, this on 5 minutes, not really significant. Of course, you want to look at higher time frames to see more significant and to see if you're having more time to anticipate the move here. But yeah, by the way, already 8,548 members here in the Discord. That's absolutely insane. And also, Nick just joined here. So Nick K10 here, welcome to the Discord server. But yeah, I mean, so much members already in the Discord server, and everyone is so yeah, helping you out very well here. How high is your leverage on your Chainlink trade? It's only 5x. Will we reach $23 once again here? I don't think it's very likely, of course, but yeah, sure we can. Sure we can. But yeah, we'll definitely give you a very good opportunity here. You can definitely... yeah, you can definitely... I mean, I'm using a 5x because I'm trying to hold a long trade here. And yeah, of course, my entry is right now pretty good here. So trying to hold this for the long run and maybe can up my leverage once we are going higher. And then add some more to my position. So I will be looking forward, of course, to add more to my position. I will be definitely looking forward to it. And yeah, Bitcoin, of course, in the 5-minute chart increasing, and Ethereum is even increasing more here with if you compare it to Bitcoin. So Ethereum doing a very strong job here. Chainlink for now on still holding back here compared to Bitcoin. But yeah, we will be looking to close this line here on the daily candles here. If you look to Chainlink, if you compare to Bitcoin, Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, this is the line that you do want to break here before we're flipping insanely bullish once again here. So you can see it right now at this side here on the left side. You can see right now getting very interesting here, because we're coming very close to the apex here for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin. So Chainlink compared to Bitcoin is going to break out anytime soon here, guys. And once we are seeing it, it's going to be massive here. It's going to be massive. How much US dollar do I need for the challenge? It all depends on you. We are saying our quantity, and it all depends on you. And we are saying 25 or 50% here. So it doesn't really matter how much you are going to do it. Just only giving the signals and also doing this completely for free. So it would be very nice if you are willing to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this content, and also smashing up the likes. I mean, yeah, you guys are insane here already, supporting this channel so strong here, showing so much love here. 21.6k subscribers. I cannot believe my eyes here. We are growing so quickly here, and yeah, you guys are helping me with that. So of course, trying to push this content further. So if you want to smash up the likes, it will be very helpful, and you will be supporting the channel completely for free. So that will be, of course, very nice, and also pushing this content to more and more people. And that's also the reason why we do want to see these likes smashed up here. Because yeah, we want to push this content to more people who are not exposed to crypto yet here. We want to give them a word about my thoughts and about your thoughts here in the chat, because we are thinking very bullish about the cryptocurrency space here, but we need to convince everyone here. And I believe in the project. I mean, if I lose all my money, I'm okay with it, because I believe in the project. But I don't think it's going to happen here. And also, building a long-term hold portfolio, and I think, of course, no financial advice, but it's a very smart thing to do, because my long-term portfolio will be at least holding this for 50 years there. And in 50 years, I'm just going to hold some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some Cardano, some ADA here for 50 years, and going to see what it will do here. Because once Bitcoin is around in 10 years to 50 years, these altcoins will also be around here in 50 years. So definitely a thing that you have to know here. And this is also the reason why I'm holding some very good projects here. And also Polkadot, of course, for at least the long run, because I think it has huge potential, and still 100 to 400x or so your money. So definitely looking to hold this some Bitcoin at least for 50 years here. So looking forward to see my long-term portfolio also grow here. So guys, that's also a thing that I think is a very good strategy here. Make a long-run portfolio, and of course no financial advice here. But I bought, yeah, I mean, that will be definitely a good strategy here in my opinion. Build a short-term portfolio to cash out in this going bull run, because I will be cashing out, of course, because I want to also create some other incomes here, some other passive incomes outside of Bitcoin. Because right now, everything is, of course, in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space, but you want to diversify your portfolio a little bit more, and that's also the strategy what I will be doing. Definitely going to hold it for the long run as well here. And also, if we're going to see a bear market, definitely will buy more and more once you are heading in, into a bear market here. And Bitcoin breaking out, people. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is acting very strong here. And if we're going to break out to the top side of the spiral channel, definitely will be very, very bullish for Bitcoin, guys. You have to notice if Bitcoin is going to break out to the top side of the spiral channel, guys, Bitcoin can absolutely explode here to the upside. So, guys, you have to know I'm looking absolutely forward to this, where Bitcoin is heading towards. So if you haven't already been exposed to Bitcoin, if you haven't already been exposed to crypto, we are seeing right now bearish divergence. We are seeing a higher high getting created on the 5 minute, but we are seeing a lower high getting created in the RSI. So this is basically telling us, okay, we are right now seeing a bearish divergence. So of course, guys, nothing to worry about because this is on the 5 minute here. And I mean, very exciting times here. And I'm also still a little bit ill here, still recovering, but I'm trying to be... I'm trying to see this, and this price action is still very insane. So I'm getting very exciting as well. And let me know what you guys are thinking, because if we're going to break to the top side of this channel, this can be huge for Bitcoin. This can be huge here. And of course, we will be looking forward to it. We will be looking forward to it. And it can flip me extremely bullish in the immediate short term here. It can flip me extremely bullish in the immediate short term. And everyone is saying, let's go for Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, I'm feeling the vibe here on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is performing pretty strong here. So I will be looking forward how this will go here for the price of Bitcoin. And people are saying, should I sell more Bitcoin? At least, I just told you, I'm planning to make a long-term portfolio. And I know if you're holding Bitcoin for a longer period of time, you're always going to be profitable. And especially if you're going to hold it for 5 to 10 years here, you're going to be massive profitable. But flipping this new 5 minute candle right now, looking at pretty low time frame, guys, and that is of course very risky to look at this low time frames. Of course, you can just look at it, but wouldn't really recommend trading it. But this breakout on the 5 minute time frame could be very, very interesting, because then we can maybe see some new higher highs getting created for Bitcoin, and that will be of course very exciting if we're going to witness this live in the stream. And guys, by the way, if you want to support me as well, only 19 likes away from the 1200 likes, so that would be of course absolutely amazing if you can do so. If you can smash up the likes right now, you will be supporting the channel completely for free. So if you haven't already, make sure to like the video. So yeah, getting very exciting times, guys, and also almost 2,000 live viewers, guys. You're an insane community, guys, and we're going to witness this Bitcoin price all together here. We're going to witness this all together, and I'm of course getting already very exciting, because this 5 minute candle on Bitcoin will lead the way here also for the other altcoins. And I see Chainlink is doing a very good job still. Oh, Chainlink is absolutely crushing it. And also Ethereum is also gaining compared to Bitcoin. So we are anticipating Ethereum and the altcoins to really dominate the month of March here, because you can see also Ethereum bouncing finally. So would like to see this bounce solidify here and continue to push the price higher and higher. But yeah, it can definitely also push these other altcoins higher. So it also depends on Bitcoin. That is why we're also looking a lot to Bitcoin here. And still, drinking water is very important. Also, we'll take a bite of my apple in a second, because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Here. So, yeah, guys, very exciting times here for the price of Bitcoin. And, of course, still creating a minor wick here, flipping this candle into the red here, but nothing to worry about. Yeah, like I told you before, 5 minutes forming this bearish divergence in the 5 minutes. Of course, 5 minutes is not very significant because it's a pretty low time frame here. But, I mean, once again, a rejection from the top side of this channel. So already the third touch here on the top side of the channel, and already the third rejection that we are right now getting. So guys, you have to know, very exciting times here, But yeah, I mean, it's very likely to see a correction here. But once we are seeing a break of this level, yeah, definitely I will flip insanely bullish here on the price chart of Bitcoin. But yeah, as you can see right now, just a minor correction coming in here. Going to close this 5 minute candle in 1 minute here. So not very exciting. I mean, 12 minutes still we're going to close another 1 hourly candle. So probably will some more volatility will return into the market here. So we will be looking forward, of course, to see how this will end here on the Bitcoin chart. And I can see that we just smashed through the 1,200 likes here. Thank you so much for liking this content here. Thank you so much. You guys are absolutely insane here. You guys are absolutely insane with smashing up the like here, and you are very, very supportive here. And of course, that is what we like to see here. And yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying every single moment here. And also yesterday in the video, yeah, we discussed why we are feeling so bullish about the chart. And I mean, yeah, definitely still feel very bullish about the chart. Let's see what these other coins are doing. Let's see what these other coins are doing here. Let me know which coin I do have to look at right now. Let me know in the chat. Already looked at Cardano a second ago, so do want to look at the different coin because I already know a lot of people are going to say ADA here in the chat. But yeah, if you want to see my opinion about ADA, you just have to scroll back for a second here. I feel very bullish about ADA, but just looked into it and don't want to look necessarily all the time into ADA. So let me know where I do have to look at here. Why is ADA dumping here? ADA is just cooling off. It's just set a new all-time high here and already increasing so significantly. So nothing to worry about in my opinion. Just smash that like. G Creative, thank you so much for smashing that like here. We have 1,250 likes, guys. In the past 5 minutes, we just smashed up the likes with 150 likes. You guys are insane here. So yeah, if you're just joined the stream, make sure to also smash up the likes. Will be of course amazing. People are saying BNB. Also check BNB a second ago, but we haven't checked AVE yet. So oh Ben, a lot of BNB coming in here. So we'll check BNB once again here in a second. And we'll check AVE here. A lot of requests are coming in. I just asked you guys which coin should I look at, and everyone is right now saying everything here in the chat. So absolutely insane that you guys are so so interactive with me. And of course, I would like to see. I would like to answer every single question here. And my face cam once again. Always once I do this, it is just always lagging a little bit. So of course, very unfortunate here. But I mean, I will try and do of course every single question of you guys. But I mean, BNB, I will look into it in a second. Quickly, we'll look at AVE because yeah, I mean I'm also holding AVE here, and AVE is a very good coin and a very good asset here, and also big companies like Grayscale are putting their trust in AVE because they are seeing the potential of DeFi, they're seeing the potential of the blockchain coming up here, and AVE will be a big player here in the DeFi sector, just like Chainlink, etc. So I mean, looking forward to see how this will end here for the price of AVE here. Right now, still seeing this correction, and guys, you have to know we are just starting here with AVE. We are just starting with the bull run. Please don't think that you're already too late. Don't think that you already missed the boat here because you're buying at extremely low prices and you're buying at extremely good opportunities, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice. You have to know it. Always buy, always trade, always do it at your own risk here. Cannot give you any financial advice here. But I mean, of course, right now looking that we are maybe trying to form some kind of a pattern here on AVE here. But I mean, definitely a very good buying opportunity here. Just like you're having with a lot of altcoins right now. And I cannot stress enough about it because I see a lot of people too scared to buy right now. But once we are going higher, once AVE is sitting around $700 US, you are willing to step into it. So please, of course, no financial advice, but in my opinion, definitely a good buying opportunity already right now. Sitting around $385 US, very good project. Yeah, right now giving a very good buying opportunity. And of course, do want to see this break of this resistance line here because this is a very critical resistance line that we do want to break here because every time once we're touching it, we're seeing a major correction. And of course, this correction would be very nice if we can finally see the last wave of this correction and then finally continue higher. So of course, I will be looking forward to see this resistance line getting broken. And by the way, 10 likes away from the 1,300 likes, guys. Make sure to smash it up. And I mean, yeah, maybe a typical reversal pattern here with a double bottom here. So we will be looking forward to see how this will end here for the price of AVE. But yeah, I do want to clear this resistance line before continuing higher, guys. So yeah, this is a thing that we will keep an eye out on here on the channel. So yeah, definitely very exciting times here, guys. Definitely very exciting times here. So looking forward to how this will end here for the price of AVE, but not rushing into anything here. Do want to see this resistance line getting broken first before flipping insanely bullish once again here. Back into the green on the 5 minutes. So yeah, we will look at Bitcoin once again here. Because yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is really the one to watch here, and Bitcoin trying to retest this upper line of resistance once again here, guys. And I'm getting, of course, very exciting, like you're already seeing it probably. And guys, I mean, yeah, very exciting times here. And also 1,900 live viewers, guys. 1,300, we just smashed with 1,300 likes, guys. You are insane here. I mean, yeah, just like I told you before in AVE, cannot stress enough about it, that people are right now not buying into it. Of course, not giving any financial advice here, but I mean, you're buying some altcoins here, just like AVE, on extremely low prices. And also, I can say a lot of altcoins that you can buy right now with a very good sale off. Also getting another super chat from C, and you're saying, just want to say you're awesome. And man, appreciate it so much here. Thank you for your super chat here. Thank you for your appreciation. I appreciate your super chat here. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here, and absolutely amazing that we're doing so. And also the Discord server, very insane, guys. Thank you so much for everything here. Also, I mean, yeah, we're right now having a lot of members in the Discord server, 8,500 live members here. So, yeah, we are crushing it all together as a community. And would like to see this 5-minute candle close above this line over here, of course. And Homie also donated $8 Australian. Thank you so much for your donation. And you were saying, hey, is 20k on ADA for a short time, 1 to 2 months here, a good idea? Or go with Bitcoin. First of all, I don't know your financial situation. So if you have 20k and it's only let's say 10% of your portfolio, yes, definitely a good position. But is 20k your whole portfolio? No, that would not be a very good thing here. So it depends on your portfolio because you don't want to diversify your portfolio. You don't want everything in one asset here. So. If everything is, if like more than 40% here is an ADA, that would be a no-go in my opinion. And just close. Also, if you look at the Bitcoin chart here, you can also see that we are just closing above this resistance line. So parallel channel might getting broken right now. It might look for some new momentum shift to the upside here, but it all depends on how much percentage this is, homie. It all depends on how much percentage it is. If it, I don't know your financial situation here, but yeah, I also cannot give you any financial advice here. But I mean, if 20k is only 40% or less in your portfolio, yes, it's definitely a good decision. Everyone like the video right now, Tracer. Totally agree with you guys. Only 70 likes away from the 1.4k, and I think we can definitely reach it all together. And maybe we're going to see a retest of this level right now in the immediate short term. Of course, looking at the 5-minute time frame, very low time frame. So, of course, not really nice time frame to trade on. But yeah, you can definitely see we are breaking this resistance line right now, flipping it into support probably, because already having multiple touches here. Would be nice to see this breakout, this such flipping into support and seeing some new highs getting created for Bitcoin, of course. And also another super chat from Abdul. Thank you for your £2 donation. And you are saying, which exchange can I buy Crust as not on Binance? Can I buy Crust? Which exchange can you buy Crust as not on Binance? Is Crust a coin, or do you mean which exchange is very good? I think you mean which exchange is very good instead of Binance. I mean, there are a lot of good exchanges. I mean, Coinbase, of course, is a good one, but only the I find the the interface very good. But I know that the support around Coinbase is not very strong here, and Binance is definitely the best exchange all over the world. But I mean, you have a lot of good exchanges. You have Yobi, you have Lightbit, and you can find my top 3 exchanges in the description. But I only don't like the customer service from Coinbase. But I mean, the coins that they are listing and the user interface, very, very good. And that's the thing what I like about Coinbase. Because if you're new to crypto, crypto.com or Coinbase, this is a very, very good exchange you can definitely use. And Abdul also donated. You meant CRO. I'm sorry. You meant CRO. So I think okay, thank you once again for your £1 donation, but you meant CRO, you're saying, so yeah, then definitely I meant CRO. So yeah, definitely then you have to use Binance, in my opinion. If you're I mean, which exchange is good instead of crypto.com here? I mean, yeah, definitely Binance. Oh wait, which exchange can I buy crypto.com as not on Binance? Oh, you're wondering where you can buy crypto.com but not on Binance. Yeah, you can buy it on Lightbit here in the description. You can buy it and if you want to know where you can buy a certain altcoin here, because a lot of people are wondering, where can I buy this coin, where can I buy that coin? And it's very simple. Just go to CoinMarketCap here, go to this site, and you go to markets over here. And once you're going to markets, you can see all the exchanges that are right now having Crypto.com listed. You have Yubbit, you have UOB, you have Crypto.com itself. You have a lot of exchanges that are right now selling Crypto.com here. Also Binance, of course. And I'm not Binance. No, Binance has not got it. Of course, it's not a coin that Binance likes, of course, because it's a concurrent. So I mean, looking forward to buy this coin. But yeah, you can definitely buy it on Crypto.com itself, because Crypto.com, of course, the own exchange, very good coin here, and definitely a hold in your portfolio. Crypto.com is definitely a very, very important hold that you do want to have here, in my opinion here. So that is also the reason why I do want to hold it. And yeah, right now looking at the Bitcoin 5-minute chart, guys, getting very exciting, because maybe we're going to see liftoff anytime soon here. And yeah, what is better than to see liftoff here for the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin top of this breakout. I mean, I'm not looking to trade right now. Yeah, definitely you can trade, but I don't like to trade on the 5-minute time frame. I would like to trade on the 1 hour or 4 hourly. But yeah, if you definitely want to trade it, you can use my Bybit referral link. You can use my Femex referral link in the description. It would be very amazing if you can do so, because If you are using my referral link in the description, you are supporting the channel here completely for free, and you're also supporting yourself because you are getting more bonuses here. So it would be very lovely if you're using my referral link here in the description, and definitely looking for some trades possibilities here for the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I mean, yeah, if you're just new to trading, definitely would consider signing up for my referral links. You will be supporting the channel and will be very lovely, of course. Will be very nice. Will be very, very nice, and you will be also really helping me out here. I mean, yeah, will be just absolutely lovely if you can do so. So yeah, Bitcoin still opening a new 5-minute candle here, re-entering the channel here a little bit here, but of course 5 minute, not all too significant. Not all too significant. And guys, yeah, of course, very exciting times. And I was sitting with my head up front, in front of it, so do have to keep a lookout for that here. Robert, would you when would you take a trade once we're breaking above the 48.2k here? I mean. Yeah, of course, I would like to enter a trade here, but not rushing into anything. Do want to see a clear higher high getting created here. And then once we are seeing the correction, after we are creating a higher high, I will be looking to open a trade here live with you guys here, of course. But I mean, already in swing trades, and do also want to enter a swing trade on Bitcoin because the funding fees are right and pretty low here. And it's also giving me a signal that we do want to enter some swing trades here, because then we can make some very easy gains and just lean backwards here. Because yeah, at the end of the day, yeah, we just want to have zero stress here. And of course, I'm not trading with my emotions, I'm only trading what the chart is telling me. I'm only trading what the chart is telling me. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking already forward to see where it is heading towards. Hey bro, will we see another dip here in the immediate short term? Definitely we can see another dip here. 5 minutes is also pretty high here in our size, so of course we can continue way higher here. Don't get me wrong, but yes, I wouldn't be surprised if we're going to see a correction coming in anytime soon here. Why's your face in front of the chart? Yeah, I'm trying not to do it. I'm trying not to do it here. So maybe we'll put my face on the left side or so, to be a little bit less into everything. Should buy Bitcoin? Really depends on you. Cannot give you any financial advice here, but I mean, yeah, definitely if you're going to hold it for the long run, you can make some profits on it. Definitely. How do you open a long? Do you have a long position open right now? Yeah, we still have our Polkadot trade here, and on my personal account I have a Chainlink trade here, and on the Ethereum long position. So yeah, not always rushing into trades, but yeah, trying to enter more and more swing trades once we are continuing higher and higher here. Yeah, in my opinion, maybe we can already be finished, but I cannot be sure here. Yeah, I do want to see a real clear sign here that we are already finished with this dump here, and then yeah, definitely I will be looking for some position here to maybe open even more swing trades here with you guys, also with the trading challenge. If you're entering trade, will you announce in Discord? Yes, definitely. Well, especially for the trading challenge. Once we're entering anything, yeah, we will announce there in the Discord server. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to join in. I was getting another donation from Pronto. You donated €5 and you're saying you rock. So Pronto, thank you so much for your donation. You are rocking here. And thank you once again for supporting the channel here. So very nice for your support of the donation. And by the way, guys, if you want to support me as well here, 38 likes here away from the 1400. And I see that we are watching with over 2,000 members here. So it would be amazing if we can just smash up 38 likes here, because then we are reaching 1.4k likes here. And I think definitely watching with 2k people here, we can definitely do so. So yeah, very exciting time still for Bitcoin here. Of course, looking at pretty low time frames here, but yeah, right now seeing this fake out of this channel here. Didn't see a clear break here to the upside. Of course, would like to see a break here to the upside. Right now seeing a major red candle here. I mean, a very good red candle here on 5 minutes. Of course, 5 minutes is not very significant here. But yeah, we will look at some different charts as well here, because we don't necessarily only want to look at Bitcoin here. But yeah, also for Ethereum, looking to meet this resistance line anytime soon here. Really looking forward to see a resistance target getting meet. So I mean, yeah, very exciting times here, guys. Very exciting times. And I can see also only 34 subscribers away from the 28.7k here, and I always see that only 50% of the viewers are subscribed. So guys, if you're new to the channel, if you're enjoying the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel here. make sure to do so. If you're completely new here, will be of course very appreciated. And will be there another dip? Yeah, it all depends here. It all depends on Bitcoin. If there is going to be another dip here, it's very hard to say right now because yes, we can still create another dip here. I wouldn't be surprised if we're doing so, but trying to catch the bottom here, and if we're seeing another dip, trying to open another swing position, of course. So yeah, of course, I will be looking forward to open a position here live with you guys. And if it cannot be live, it probably will be in the Discord server. Also, still a little bit recovering here, becoming better here. So I mean, looking forward already. Looking forward already to see how this will end here. Looking forward already. Link entry soon, yeah, definitely. Also with the train challenge, would like to enter some more into Link here because still think that Link is having a very huge potential here. And yeah, you guys probably know it as well. Yeah, would like to get this entry in here on Chainlink here. So guys, yeah, if we're going to enter this all together here, we definitely would like to do this. Also, my personal trade, already having a position open on it. So yeah, but just smash through the 1400 likes, guys. Thank you so much. I see you guys are once again smashing up these likes here. And yeah, guys, you guys are just insane. You guys are insane. Just quickly about classical stocks here. Yeah, you see S&P 500 just decreasing in price still, and of course going to open anytime soon here. So yeah, very exciting, of course, what we are seeing right now with S&P 500 is decreasing in price, and Bitcoin is also following. So very exciting, very interesting. And this is also this is very, guys, you have to know, this is very bullish here. This is very bullish for the altcoins and Bitcoin in general. This is very bullish for Bitcoin and the altcoins in general. Because once again, with the dollar index, guys, dollar index is very important to watch too. And right now, having another touch of this resistance line. So, of course, the more times you are testing a resistance, the more likely it is that you are going to break it. But I mean, if you look to this chart right now, very likely that we are going to see a correction in the dollar index once again here. And once we're seeing another rejection coming in here in the dollar index, yeah, we'll probably only push the price higher for Bitcoin. And Joe M also donated $5 Australian, so thank you so much for your donation here. And you're saying, hey, hope you're well. Refinance is ever going to pass the all-time high here. Will it keep dropping? So Joe, thank you so much for your super chat here. And I will look into refinance for you, my friend. But yeah, I mean, dollar index looking very strong here for the price of Bitcoin at least. Of course, it's looking like it's going to have another rejection here coming in. So I mean, of course, that is very strong for the Bitcoin price. And oh man, I saw it already. The Reef price is not looking all too strong here, in my opinion. If I look to the price of Reef, we couldn't say in the spiral channel what was very unfortunate, and we broke to the downside. We did not even hold the support line, so that was very bad here. And I mean, if you look to Reef, this is not looking strong here. Also, previous support flipping into resistance. All support levels are flipping into some resistance. But yeah, I know Reef was pretty overextended here, and Refinance, of course, was doing a very good job here. But once again, guys, you are seeing this yellow line. I already drew it a long period ago here. And if you really want to get exposed to Reef, I will make this a box real quickly here, and I will remove this yellow line here. Already drew this line already a long period ago here, guys. And you have to know, this was the previous stop over here at the start. You can see also, once we are meeting here, resistance, and it was acting as support, and once again support. So very good buying opportunity, a very strong level, and of course a lot of levels already were not hold here, but you're not going to fall forever here. You're not going to fall forever, and especially with the project as being good here. You saw a decrease of price of approximately 55%. I mean, 55%. Are you not going to take the sale? Still 45%. Are you not going to take the sale here? Don't know the fundamentals, so you have to do your own research. But yeah, I mean, it's not holding up to any support levels here. But yeah, right now creating some kind of a double bottom here. Would like to see a reversal coming in here, and with the coming month, probably switching momentum to Ethereum. It can definitely also push the price of the other altcoins, just like Reef, higher and higher. And Bitcoin, yeah, sorry, I have to witness this real quickly here. But yeah, I mean, Reef, yeah, will drop harder. I mean, that level where we are just witnessing was looking very strong here. And also getting another super chat from Rakesh. You're saying, how is ETN electronic? So I will definitely look into electronic here for you. Flip it to the 4-hourly candle. We'll right away set up a Fibonacci tool. Yeah, I mean, if I look at the chart, very interesting chart once again, playing out here, 2.618, very interesting resistance what we are finding over there. So of course that is very, not very bad, but it's very likely to find some kind of a resistance once you're having such a huge uptrend here. And yeah, I mean, yeah, since then we broke the downside here, creating some kind of a downward sloping resistance line here. Of course, very likely to see a downwards momentum phase kicking in. Once you're going absolutely parabolic to the upside, you're absolutely exploding to the upside here. And people are saying Bitcoin, Rover, your face is masking off the prices. So we'll place my face to the other side here, and maybe have to place my face over here in a second. But then want to edit the background here behind me. But yeah, I definitely can do this as well here. But yeah, this is not working properly. I will adjust this after the stream here. So wait, I will remove my head a little bit lower here. Maybe this is better once I'm doing so. So sorry for the mess here. Maybe this is better like this here. So maybe the prices are a little bit more clear here. So I will sit here for the moment at least. But I mean, yeah, if you look to the electronic price here, Bitcoin absolutely is going sky high right now. So we'll look at Bitcoin in a second here. But yeah, this is going right now, giving a very good buying opportunity around this level, because this is the previous high of the previous trend here. And this is always indicating that you're getting a very good buying opportunity, because you're right now, coming down to the previous trend high, and yeah, right now probably going to find support on it, because yeah, you're already reversing once again to the upside, setting higher lows. Very good. So let's see where it is heading towards here. But Bitcoin absolutely pumping right now. Bitcoin absolutely pumping here, guys. I mean, I'm saying pumping here, but heading towards the 48k. Sometimes I can a little bit overexcited here. But I mean, look into the channel. Would like to break the top side of the channel here, because this can really push the price higher. We can really see some very nice 5-minute candles here, and maybe see some very green days here, because also having my green apple here, and that's also the reason why you cannot see it, because it's green red here, and I think it will be a green day here for the cryptocurrency space. Will be of course very nice here. Face on the left side, yeah, I will do the face on the left side here. Face on the left side here, much better. Okay, very nice. Moving around, haha. I know, guys. So still figuring things out here. We just got a face cam here, so still finding out what is the best setup here. So yeah, guys, you have to know that we will improve in quality. Always, we are trying to improve in quality with you guys. So would be of course very lovely if we can do so. Would lovely if we can do so. So yeah, Bitcoin continuing higher, very nice for all the coins in general here, and Ethereum of course. For now on, still a little bit lagging behind here if you compare it to Bitcoin. But I mean, already doing a pretty okay job here. But the thing is, once there's coming very good news here for Bitcoin, the money is not shifting into us. But that it will happen again here. It will happen again here. Maybe there will come some very good news here for Ethereum or some other altcoins, that they can really explode the other altcoins as well here to the upside. So that can really be the reason. I do think Ethereum really lost the value because there was a lot of hype around Bitcoin, because Tesla was buying into Bitcoin and not into Ethereum. And that was also the reason, because it was dumping here and also meeting the stop side of this resistance. Always very important to take some profits once you're so high in the chart, and also so overextend on a daily time frame. If you look to the RSI, yeah, he was pretty overextended over there. So, I mean, always once you're in overextended territorium, very smart to take some kind of profit here, because you're going to see a reversal anytime soon here. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yeah, that's a very, very nice saying that someone sent me a super chat about an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And since then, I'm saying it as well here. Very good quote. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yeah, and Bitcoin, of course, would like to see, of course, a lot of volatility getting created. Would like to see this. And yeah, we also opened a new 1 hourly candle just 30 minutes ago. I mean, I'm totally sleeping right now. I'm not paying attention. And guys, I'm getting the phone call right now, so we have to take this call. Give me 1 second here. So sorry, that was my very important phone call that I was expecting today. I was already telling you guys that I was expecting this phone call. So just finished this phone call off. So today I will be finished with all the phone calls here. At least I do think so, to be honest. Everyone smash that like button. Guys, only 54 likes away from the 1500. So let's see if we can reach this 1500 likes as well here. Also, really need to get a new haircut here. But yeah, it's still closed here. So, I mean, tomorrow it's going to open. So definitely looking for some for new haircuts as well here. So let me see. I mean, 5 minutes is red on Bitcoin, not really a lot to worry about. And I mean, if I looked at the likes here, you guys is absolutely smashing up these likes here. So absolutely very insane here what you guys are doing. And also very close to the 21.7k subscribers. Guys, we are smashing it right now all together. With the community here, so we'll be loving to see the 21.7k subscribers getting reached here, of course. And also, I see a lot of you guys are enjoying the stream here, so that's also the reason that we are having so much likes here. So, of course, thank you so much for all liking the content here. Absolutely insane, of course. You guys are all legends here. You guys are all legends. So, yeah, like and subscribe is completely free, so it will be amazing, of course. But yeah, we're still witnessing this price chart of Bitcoin. Right now seeing this breakout, but of course it's a low time frame, so it's not really really significant. And someone is saying here, hi guys, new subscriber here, love the content, bro. How do you see ADA compared to Bitcoin? So yes, we will look to ADA compared to Bitcoin, because it's also very important to watch because you always, if you are looking to altcoins, you always want to look at the comparison compared to Bitcoin, because then you can see the value of the coin and how it's increasing. And couldn't you have been better off with holding Bitcoin instead of Cardano? So that is the thing that we are right now looking at. And if you set a Fibonacci 2 up here, if you look at the bigger picture here, already a very interesting thing what you're right now seeing here. And guys, this is a very interesting chart that you do want to watch here if you are watching to Cardano. And guys, by the way, smashing through the 1500 likes here. Everyone is insanely liking the video so quickly, so thank you so much here. Thank you for smashing up that like button. You guys are insane, and of course enjoying it every single moment to spend my time with you guys. And yeah, right now you can see this top to the swing high to the swing low here in the full trend here of Cardano, with the Cardano compared to Bitcoin situation here. You can see we just broke through, just a couple days ago, we broke through the 0.236 level. And this was a very, very crucial level, because we were trading approximately 2.5 years below this line, and this was the first resistance level in the ADA compared to Bitcoin chart. So ADA is gaining value compared to Bitcoin, what we are right now seeing, so that's very, very nice, to be honest. But right now seeing this minor correction coming in here, but we smashed through this resistance, already closed 4 days above this line here. So guys, if we're going to see a retracement around these levels, I mean, it wouldn't be bad. It would only signify that we are going to see blast off anytime soon, because support, resistance flipping into support is basically very, very strong here for the price of Cardano here compared to Bitcoin, and that would be still a decrease of 13% compared to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is just going to increase 30% and Cardano is not going to do anything here, I mean, definitely a very good buying opportunity. And we will keep an eye out on the chart, because then we can see, couldn't we have been better off with holding Cardano instead of Bitcoin? So definitely a very, very interesting thing here. And Cardano, guys, you have to know it. Cardano is already, I'm loving Cardano. Cardano is performing so well here, and that's also the reason why it's right now also in this chart looking very strong here. So yeah, definitely a chart to keep an eye out on. And yeah, I mean, if you look to the dollar index, once again, I have to say it right now. I have to say this to you guys, because this is a chart that you do want to look at if you're trading in Bitcoin, if you're trading altcoins. Trading against resistance right now, guys, and of course we're still trading on this line. If you zoom in a little bit here, if you zoom in, you can see we're trading on this line here, but still this is a daily candle, so still can create a wick. But once we're closing above this line, would be very horrible for the price of the of Bitcoin, of course, but would be very good for the price of the dollar index. But in my opinion, it's very likely to see another correction, because we're heading towards a resistance target, and once we're meeting a resistance target, it's very likely to see a correction coming in here. So would like to see this correction coming in, guys, and I would be looking forward already to see a correction right now coming in here for the US dollar index here. So guys, we will keep an eye out on the chart as well, because if the dollar index is really going to see a red day here, can really signify that we are going to see Bitcoin move a lot to the upside here, and also the other altcoins compared to the dollar valuation going higher and higher. So I mean, I will be looking forward, of course, to see how this will end here. And guys, Once again, thank you so much for smashing up this like here. 1,533 likes here. You guys are insane. You have to know it. Already live for 2 hours and 18 minutes here. I was yesterday a little bit ill here, but still recovering here. So trying to do the longest live stream as I can, of course. And yeah, I mean, still feeling very bullish about Chainlink here. Everyone's still waiting. Of course, we will be looking for an entry here because I want to share all my gains with you guys here. I don't want to be only myself profitable here. I want to make a profitable community here. So there's also a reason why you can join the Discord server right away here if you want to be a part of the community here. You can join it right away here. Spin in the live chat is also in the description. So loads of opportunities here for you if you want to get a little bit more engaged here in the cryptocurrency space here. Get a little bit a talk here about certain things here. So yeah, definitely the reason why you do want to join the Discord server here. Definitely the reason why you do want to join the Discord server here. And yeah, I mean this previous 5-minute candle here on Bitcoin looks very good here. So retest of this previous resistance flipping into support. So let's see where Bitcoin is heading towards, because this can really signify that we are pretty bullish here on Bitcoin. So yeah, right now still flipping this candle into the green here. Probably looking for Ethereum also to be dragged along here. Still, Ethereum is not lifting off for itself right now, but yeah, we do want to see Bitcoin cooling off if we're really going to see these altcoins really blast off. If we really want to see Ethereum blast off, Bitcoin just needs to settle down here for a second, just chill down for a second here, and then we can definitely look into these coins. Here. So yeah, it's going to be very exciting these coming hours here. But I mean, especially when the Ethereum is reaching this target here, probably we are already overextended by then, because right now we are also overextended. But if we're going to see some kind of move like this here and then touch this line, yeah, definitely that can be a very good buying opportunity if we're reaching the target here. So yeah, of course, very exciting times there, very exciting times. And yeah, definitely also would like to open a trade anytime soon here, especially swing trading. Fees are pretty low right now, so very interesting to open some swing trades here, guys. You have to know it. We will be looking for swing trade entries, especially also on Ethereum, because Ethereum will be a pretty safe swing trade entry that we can maybe get here. So yeah, definitely want to look forward to. And I see only 3 subscribers. I can see it, only 3 subscribers away from the 21.7k here. So let's do a quick refresh. Yeah, we already smashed through it. We already got to 3 subscribers in just a matter of 3 seconds here. So 21.7k subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel once again, guys. You are legends. You are absolutely grateful here. I don't know what to say. I mean, you guys are the best community that I can wish for. You are the best community where I can wish for. And Toywolf, you're saying, Crypto, can you look at Ethereum Classic 1 inch and AVAX as a good trading opportunity? I will look at 1 inch for you. I'll look at 1 inch for you, because 1 inch, I feel very bullish about this coin as well here. Giving you a lot of buying opportunities here at these levels here. And I told you already, this previous support, once we are breaking down of the support, this was acting as very, very strong support. As you can see over there, you can see it was having multiple touches on the Fibonacci level. And right now we are below this level. So that is also the reason why we are right now seeing this correction coming in here around these levels here. So it was very likely to see this correction coming in, because it was acting as very significant support, and right now it was acting as very significant resistance. And it was also a very likely scenarios what we are going to see. Already discussed this a while ago, but yeah, maybe right now creating a new uptrend here. But once we are breaking above this line once again here, clear breakthrough, and then see a clear retest here, maybe on a little bit of a higher time frame. Right now looking at the 1 hourly, because here you can see also a fake out coming in here. But I mean, once we're really clearly breaking above it, and then a touch here, that can definitely be a good entry position. But entering right now, of course, would be also, maybe you will be looking for an entry right now, but in my opinion, entering right now is a little bit too riskier in my approach. And Jack Havey also saying, Litecoin swing trade. I will look into Litecoin in a second here. Thank you for super chat here. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here. So yeah, definitely looking for more and more trade swing trade opportunities here. But yeah, not rushing into anything, as you guys already know here. And I mean, yeah, definitely for 1 inch, I would be playing it careful here, not rushing into anything, because these coins can get very volatile. Because if you look to the top here to down here, 51% decrease in price. 1 inch is absolutely moving from one way to the other. So please take it with caution and don't get wrecked here. So only looking for a clear opportunity once you're trading 1 inch. But Litecoin, you will be looking for a Litecoin swing trade here. And I get it, because Litecoin, of course, very interesting coin here, and yeah, you really want to get a swing trade on it. And I mean, yeah, you can definitely look at multiple scenarios, but I would like to look at this this scenario first of all. I mean, yeah, this yellow line here. I'll flip this to the 4 hourly for a second here, but I mean, right now giving you a pretty okay buying opportunity here. This yellow line holding up very strong here. You can even extend this to over here, to be honest. Because yeah, you can see this line holding up pretty strong here, and also we broke through this yellow line here, but then we touched this Fibonacci level around the 0.382. So I mean the 0.382 also very significant support level. So once we're hitting it another time, once we're seeing a correction for Litecoin, yeah, definitely would be a good entry. But like I told you before, I feel very bullish about Ethereum in the coming month, and Ethereum, once Ethereum is increasing in price, it will definitely drag Litecoin with it. It will definitely drag Ethereum. Will definitely drag all these other altcoins with him as well. So please, I think March will be the month of the altcoins here, and it still will be standing behind my my thought here. Like I told you yesterday in the video that I uploaded here, I mean Ethereum is looking very strong for the coming month of March, and guys, I will stand behind my word here. I will stand behind my word because I think it's very likely to see. And yeah, put your money where your mouth is, and that is also the reason why I'm opening swing trades right now, because I think the coming month of March can be very strong for the altcoins, and I definitely don't want to miss out on these gains here. So that's also the reason why. But yeah, I mean, you're looking for a swing trade on Litecoin. Yeah, I get it, because Litecoin can also give you very pretty good returns here. But I mean, yeah, this Fibonacci level is very the best opportunity to open a trade here. I mean, if you're opening it right now, you're opening it at a pretty high place in my opinion. So should be playing it careful right now here. But of course, we can easily reverse even higher and higher. And in my opinion, you should just wait for a clear opportunity, because otherwise you're rushing into trades here. Maybe another test of this yellow line here will probably hold up very strong here. So please take it with caution. But definitely looking for more swing trades here. Definitely looking for more swing trades. And like you told me as well here, you want to enter a swing trade on Litecoin here. But yeah, maybe on this yellow line, $164 can be an opportunity to open a swing trade here. But not rush into anything, please, because then you are getting wrecked here. Then you're totally getting wrecked here, and that is the thing that you don't want to do here. Getting wrecked is the latest thing that I'm going to do. And Big B, okay guys, I'm hopping off. So thank you for still being here, Big B, and I will check you the next time. And thank you for still blocking that spam here in the chat here. I already did reef. I already reef. And of course, let me see. Bye, Big D. Bye, Big B. Yeah, Big B is an absolute legend in the chat. You have to know it. And hopping off. So thank you for still tuning in here in the stream. Thank you for still tuning in here in the stream, man. So yeah, but if you look to Ethereum on the 4 hourly, I mean this 4 hourly candle is massively green here. Very nice candle, to be honest. And also, €5 donation here from Tim Joosten, and you are saying thank you so much for your donation, Tim Joosten. The €5. Thank you for super chat, and you are saying keep on going here. And I don't know what you exactly are saying, but you are probably saying SDMX here. But please, once you're requesting something, please do it in English, because otherwise it's not really clear here. But SDMX here. Yes, definitely. I will tell you something about my thoughts here about this coin here. And first of all, we'll flip this to the 4 hourly kind of time frame here, Tim Joosten. So I mean, if I look to the chart, first of all, you see 0.618 holding up very strong here, and I do want to draw this a little bit different here, because this is from swing low to swing high here. I don't really like that, to be honest. But I mean, we'll set up some horizontal levels here, first of all. Not a lot of information about this coin. Maybe there's a different chart. I don't know for how long it's on the market right now. It's... Okay, I have to get this right, this different chart once again here. Okay, this coin is not a long period on the market right now. But I will give you my thoughts here about the coin. First of all, we can set up this rectangle, because this is really a very strong support level that we are right now holding on. And yeah, definitely, I mean, this whole area over here will be a good buy. Once you're buying in this gray box here, it's everywhere in this gray box is a good buy, exactly. Here trading especially between two ranges here. So if you really want to look for a short-term bounce to the upside, would probably will be at the top side of this gray box here. And what's your... Oh my gosh, please don't spam in the chat, because if you're spamming in the chat, I will right away block you here. Please don't spam in the chat here, because yeah, you're absolutely wrecking everyone, because everyone's just taking the patient. I'm trying to answer a lot of questions here, but if you're spamming, I won't answer your question here in the chat here. So thank you. So I mean, to this coin here, yeah, definitely trading between two ranges here. And I mean, yeah, you're creating a lot of wicks on the top side, so definitely buying opportunities are on the lower side of this this parallel channel here, and selling opportunities are on the top side of this channel here. So definitely right now having an of course you're right now in the middle. But I mean, definitely almost giving you a buying opportunity once again here. Would not rush into this coin, don't know the fundamentals. And it all depends on the fundamentals, because you can see a huge run up in this coin, because probably a lot of hype created, a lot of fundamental announcements came out here. So This coin has probably some good fundamentals. Don't know exact fundamentals, but if you want to know the fundamentals, you have to do your own research. And I cannot give you any financial advice, of course. But yeah, by the way, yeah, you have to look at the fundamentals. But if the fundamentals are strong here, definitely gray box is a good buying opportunity, and maybe it's a good position to buy for the longer term here. But this gray box will be starting around the 0.008 US dollars here. We're just sitting around the 0.095 here. So, man, everyone who's spamming in the chat, you are getting blocked here. So, please don't spam here in the chat. Please don't spam in the chat here. And by the way, guys, 12 likes away. Only 12 likes away from the 1,600 likes, guys. We're absolutely smashing it, and we are absolutely spamming. We're absolutely crushing it right now. And guys, by the way, if you're spamming from now on, I will block you forever, so you can never chat anymore in our chat in the chat here. So please don't spam in the chat, because yeah, you'll just get fooled here, and yeah, it's not smart. I mean, we don't want to do it. I want to answer your question, but if you're spamming, it's not just not good here. But I mean, yeah, definitely good buying opportunity right now. And people are saying, are you seeing a bull flag right now on Ethereum? I mean, J-Link. I mean, not definitely a bull flag. It's more, this is not bull flag. Bull flag is only happening once you're on an uptrend and then see this retracement coming in here. But yeah, you can definitely say that if you look to the 4 hour, that you are creating this downtrend here, to be honest. So still downtrend is intact here, still creating a wick on the top side. So maybe we're getting another rejection coming in here anytime soon. So yeah, gray box still good buying opportunity, but maybe we're going to break above this right now here. So Elif also, thank you for your €7 super chat here, and you're so of course very grateful for it. And you're saying buy 88 right now for the long-term investment, 5 years plus, or wait for a potential dip here. I mean, man, if you're going to hold it 5 years, don't time the market. Just buy it right now, because yeah, maybe it's going to go even higher here. So don't time the market with your holding position if you're going to hold for 5 years. And I'm doing the same, man. I'm trying to build a portfolio for the coming 15 years here, but I'm just going to lay away there and just not going to touch here for the coming 50 years here, because I think once I'm holding Bitcoin and some other coins here for the coming 10 to 15 years there, I can really become totally financial free here. If you're, I mean, the potential for Bitcoin, what it can do here in the coming 50 years. Also, I made a call here, and I just set it on my iCloud so I can watch it back here in 50 years. I told myself, okay, Bitcoin will be sitting around above the 1 million here in 2036 here. Maybe it's still a little bit conservative, but guys, I do still think that Bitcoin will go to 100 to 110k here in the coming bull run. And please don't get fooled by these big players that they are saying, okay, Bitcoin is going to 300k, but maybe this time it's different. Maybe they are right, but still taking decent profits once we're hitting 100k here. Still taking decent profits once we're hitting 100k. Definitely considering right now. So also another super chat here from Jokoman, and you're saying, can you please take a look at Matic? And definitely I will. So Matic Network, yeah, doing of course a very good job here, setting a new. This is a new all-time high. Yes, this is definitely a new all-time high here. Or maybe I'm looking at the wrong chart here, but yeah, Matic, of course, we were already watching Matic a long period ago here, and then we were starting, okay, parallel channel getting created, and since we broke out of this parallel channel, yeah, absolutely Matic absolutely skyrocketed to the upside. So Matic, of course, doing a very good job. And I mean, if you look to Matic here, I mean, yeah, this is, of course, it's setting a new all-time high here, so you have to be careful once you're trading at these high ranges here. But I mean, yeah, maybe you're forming some kind of a parallel top here. I mean, upward sloping resistance line here, because this is holding up very strong here. To be honest, if you look to this, of course, not the most beautiful resistance line here. But yeah, you are creating some kind of resistance on the top side here, and also creating some kind of a supportive line here. But I mean, you're finding support at every time. Once you're breaking above a Fibonacci level, you're finding support afterwards on it. So I mean, please. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to see Matic, of course, maybe coming down here towards the levels around 70.5 US dollars, because that will give you a very good buying opportunity. But yeah, right now, trying to break the stopwatch resistance line, and once we're breaking the stopwatch resistance line, maybe we can create. Maybe we are seeing a very good buying opportunity once again here. Maybe we are seeing so. And I mean, we can create a parallel channel, but then it's not the most beautiful one, to be honest. No, it won't be a very beautiful one here. You can already draw it perfectly here, to be honest. Not really nice, beautiful, not really beautiful parallel channel. So I'm not going to draw. Sorry, I'm not going to draw a parallel channel right now. Yeah, you can see a resistance line on the top side here. Really holds the price back here of Matic, but do want to see a break of it before flipping insanely bullish. But yeah, once we're seeing another retrace to this Fibonacci level, definitely you could buy here. But then you're also creating not a higher low here, because if you're creating a higher low, this can really push the brand higher and higher in the fast pace there. So yeah, we'll definitely keep an eye out on this chart. We'll definitely keep an eye out on the chart. And Tia, you already you said it right. James, don't spam because you got blocked, and he just got blocked. So Joe, thank you for your donation once again here. You donated $2 Australian. Thank you so much for your super chat. You're saying Engine Coin, please check it. Check it to $1. So I will right away look at Engine Coin. Because yeah, of course, very exciting what we are seeing with Engine Coin as well here, doing a pretty okay job here. If you look to the 4 hourly candles here, we were in this very stealth uptrend here with Engine Coin, but yeah, we saw this fake out on the downside. But right now, we saw 2 fake outs here to the downside. But then we saw this. We rejoined the channel once again here. So maybe we are in some kind of an ascending triangle, and we are nearing an apex very soon here. But I mean, yeah, the top side of this Fibonacci level is holding us back very significantly right now, because you can see a lot of wicks getting created, a lot of dumps once we are heading towards these levels, and right now heading towards this level once again here. So of course, the more times you're testing a resistance, the more likely it will be that you're going to break it. So it's just a matter of time till we're going to break it, in my opinion. So I will be looking forward to see this resistance line getting broken here, of course. So yeah, keep an eye out on this. Keep an eye out on this chart, because it can definitely break anytime soon here. So also we will be anticipating it, because once you're seeing a clear breakout, of course, you already saw some 4 hourly candles close above it. But yeah, you definitely want to see more 4 hourlies, and maybe a 4 hourly candle that is really significantly closing above it, maybe around yeah, the 70 cents here or so, and then see the retracement coming in, and then see the resistance flipping into clear support. And then once we are seeing that, yeah, it can definitely blast absolutely lift off here, because you can see very significant resistance will then flip into very significant support here. So yeah, looking forward how this will end here for the Engine Coin here. Looking forward at all. So yeah, a very exciting times, of course. Today, very exciting day already in Bitcoin, and I do think that we can really see blast of today coming in here. So we will be looking forward to see how Bitcoin will react to the price chart of today here. And definitely enjoying the live stream with you guys here. 1,800 live viewers, guys. You are insane here. Also, we reached just 21.7k subscribers, already heading towards our next target. So, of course, I will be looking forward. Only 50 subscribers away, guys. 50 subscribers away from the 21.8k subscribers. And to see always that 50% of all the viewers are only subscribed here. And guys, if you want to help me out as well here, make sure to consider subscription to the channel here, because yeah, you're just showing some appreciation here, and it will be, of course, very lovely if you're supporting the channel completely for free here. So I mean, yeah, Engine Coin looking for blast off anytime soon here. So we will keep an eye out on this coin here. We will definitely keep an eye out on this coin. And also, by the way, only 22 minutes away from the 4 hourly candle close. And always, guys, you have to know, always these last 22 minutes here in the 4 hourly candle close are very interesting. So, I mean, I will be looking forward to these last minutes here on the 4 hourly candle, because always the last 10 minutes here on the 4 hourly candles can be very volatile here in the Bitcoin price chart, and we are going to witness this once again here all together. So, guys, we will be witnessing this all together, and also 1,600 live likes already, guys. You are smashing it. I don't know what to say here. I'm so grateful. If you have Ethereum, don't sell it. Keep it. I have to agree with you, but no financials fire corner. .link88, nice combo. I have to agree with you, Mr. G. Very nice combo, very nice. Just subscribe, Tia. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here. You are an absolutely legend here. Thank you so much for, if you're new to the channel, want to welcome you. You can also join our Discord server here, because in the Discord server we're also giving our thoughts here. Yeah, we're trying to do this every single day here for you guys, of course. So very grateful for you that you guys are right now tuning in here. And yeah, very nice that you are, if you are new to the channel, that you're also subscribing to the channel if you're liking it, of course. So yeah, very exciting. And Bitcoin, of course, heading towards 48k here. We just got rejected once we are heading towards it. So maybe in these last 10 minutes here for hourly candle, maybe of course right now going into the last 20 minutes here for hourly candle, and it's going to be a very interesting coming 20 minutes, of course. Going to be very interesting, guys. And by the way, I'm also going to announce the winner of the Ledger giveaway anytime soon here, guys. Let me know if you're excited, because we got a lot of comments here, because we are going to do this giveaway here on the Instagram channel here at CryptoRoverYT here. Also almost having 1,500 followers, but we're having 336 participants here in the channel in this giveaway here, and we're going to pick 2 winners here in a second. So guys, so grateful that you guys are all following me here and also participating in the giveaway, because I want to give something back to you guys here. So I'm looking forward to see this. I'm looking forward to see this, of course. And guys, I'm of course already looking forward to giving away some more stuff here once we're going higher and higher here with the channel here. Once we're getting more and more followers. Also, I mean, we told you guys every time once we are hitting a 10k mark here, we're going to do a giveaway here with a Nano Ledger S and X mini. I mean, but also going to give away some more stuff. Maybe I'm Mark, if someone wants it. Going to do a giveaway live in the stream. I don't know where. If you want to win it, I'm going to pick one. So I mean, let me know if you're liking these giveaways, because I want to give something back to you guys as well here. Just a little bit of appreciation to you guys as well. Did you have COVID? I tested it, so I don't know if I have it. I don't know if I have it for sure, but if I have it right now, I don't think it's... yeah, it would be very unfortunate, of course, but I'm still feeling pretty okay, but only my condition is not really good here, to be honest. So that's also the reason why I'm trying to hold it out as long as possible here. But already live for 2 hours and 40 minutes, and guys, I do want to witness this 4-hourly candle close, because I cannot miss this 4-hourly candle close, because this can be a very exciting 4-hourly candle close. So I definitely at least going to see this 4-hourly candle close here, of course. I hope I win the ledger. Yeah, I mean, I would love to give it to everyone here, but of course only can give away two pieces here. So yeah, I mean, if you have followed me already, you can follow me right now as well here. I see a lot of people are following me right now, so thank you so much for following me on Instagram here. I mean, yeah, very exciting, very exciting. So yeah, I see a lot of guys right now following me on Instagram as well. So I mean, yeah, you can still drop a comment here if you really want to participate, and you really want to leave a nice message, because I will pick the winners with, I mean, with people that are saying, okay, the reason. I will really look at the reason, because I find it very important that people are giving me a good reason why they want to win here. And please don't spam in the chat here. So yeah. Oh, by the way, 29 likes away from the 1,700 likes, so getting very exciting. Is it too late for BNB? Definitely not. Definitely like, stay hydrated, bro. Definitely. We'll stay hydrated. But yeah, like someone told me already, yeah, it depends on Bitcoin. Depends on Bitcoin. It all depends on Bitcoin. But yeah, of course, always exciting once we're doing these live streams. Always exciting. Yeah, BNB is the love. Yeah, BNB is crushing it, of course. BNB is doing a very good job here. And yeah, we are heading towards these last 15 minutes here of the 4-hourly close. And guys, let me know in the chat. I'm going to do a quick test here. Do you think the dump is over? Say 1 in the chat if you think that the dump is over, and say 2 in the chat here if you think that the dump is not over yet. So say 1 in the chat if you think that the dump is over for Bitcoin and that we are going to continue higher, and say 2 in the chat if you think that we are really going to see another leg down here. So 2 in the chat for another move down here, and 1 in the chat if you're thinking that we're going up. So let me know right now in the chat here, because I'm getting quite curious what you guys are thinking right now of the market, because I want to know your opinion as well here. Because yeah, altogether we can form a strong opinion about the market here. So let me know what you think here about the market. Are we going to move down or are we going to move up here? And I see already it's for now on 20 to 50% here. So let me see what you guys think here in the chat. So getting very exciting, of course. And I see mostly ones are coming in here, and you guys are absolutely crushing it right now in the chat here. And it's basically, let's say 80% ones for now. So guys, you are thinking that we're going to go up here, and I have to agree with you, because in the immediate short term I'm feeling very bullish here. So we'll have to wait and see how it goes. Of course, new week, new Monday here, so I'm getting very exciting what we are going to do here. But a lot of ones are coming in here, so getting, oh, you guys are feeling very bullish here. And of course, I see also still some twos here, and shout out from Dubai MTV, shout out to you, man. But I mean, seeing a lot of ones coming in here, seeing a lot of ones. Yeah, you guys are feeling very bullish about the market here, and I have to agree with you. I want to feel bullish as well here, but first want to see this new high getting created, because otherwise I will still flip bearish here. So I do think you guys are more bullish than bearish here, so I have to agree with you guys. And of course, I like to see you guys very bullish, because then we can crush the market altogether here, guys. Very exciting times here. Very exciting times here. Yeah, March is probably going to be the month of the altcoins. I have to say it. probably once again here. I mean, not especially the altcoins, but it will be the month of Ethereum in my opinion, because yeah, Ethereum looks very strong here for the coming month of March. And guys, only 6 likes away from the 1700. Guys, we are absolutely crushing it. And let's see. Also, yeah, 2100 live followers on Twitter. We are just crushing it all together. Very strong community that we are building. And just 15 minutes away, guys, from the 4-hourly candle close. Probably you guys are also very exciting. Very exciting. And also the stock market is going to open in 2.5 hours here. I bought at 43, so let's keep it bullish. 43k was a very good buy here. Very good buy here, my friend. 43k was definitely a very good buying opportunity. And still see a lot of people are still following me on Instagram, so thank you so much for following me, because I'm trying to post some more stuff as well over there. So very grateful that you guys are also following me over there here. So yeah, also smashing for the 1700 likes, guys. We are so strong here. What is your Instagram? You can find it here. You can find it here in this side note here. It's at CryptoRoverYT here. And yeah, that's also the Instagram over here, as you can see. So yeah, a lot of people are following right now. So very grateful for 350 participants, and I'm going to announce them the winner anytime soon here in maybe 20 or 30 minutes. So I'm going to pick 2 winners here. So of course, looking forward to give it away here. Would like to give more giveaways here. And let me know if someone wants to win a mug as well here, because go to my Instagram. Go to my Instagram. I'm going to give away a mug right now here in the Instagram. So if you want to win this mug right now, you have to right now go to my Instagram, because I'm going to give away right now one, and say, I want to win the mug. I want to make the mug, and then we're going to give pick a live winner right now here in the stream. So say in the recent post here on the Instagram, I want a mug, and then we are going to pick a winner, and we're going to send it to you if you want to win it, of course. So yeah, if you want to win this mug here, go to the recent post here on the Instagram, and we're going to pick the winner in 2 minutes here or so. So yeah, make sure to do so. So very exciting if you want to win it. Definitely going to do it. You can go to the recent post here, and yeah, going to pick the winner right away here. Going to pick the winner right away here. So if you want to win it, we're going to send it to you. It doesn't matter wherever you live. We're going to send it everywhere over the world here. And I'm going to pick it once the 4-hourly candle closes, okay? Once the 4-hourly candle is oh wait, we're going to pick it 5 minutes before it closes, because it's probably too excited. Once the 4-hourly candle will close here, it's too excited to not watch the charts here. So I see already a lot of questions are coming in here. A lot of people are saying I want to win the mug here, and I see it on my phone here. So we'll definitely look at the winner here, and I will announce it. I will DM you as well here. I will tag you. I will like your post. So definitely, yeah, looking forward to giving away some stuff here. Looking forward to give it away here. If you want to win the mug here, will be absolutely amazing, of course. And oh my gosh, there's coming so much requests. There are coming so much requests in here right now, and I can see it here. I have it here also on my phone here, and I can see, guys. I see a lot of you guys are right now saying I want to win the mug here. So definitely going to give it away right away. So in just 5 minutes or so, I'm going to give away a mug here. So of course, want to give away more more stuff here. So yeah, looking forward to give it away here. And doesn't matter wherever you live here. It doesn't matter. So yeah, Bitcoin heading towards 48k, guys. 48k is a very nice target once again for Bitcoin. Just got rejected by the 48k psychological level here. And I mean, yeah, going to close the candle here in 12 minutes. Going to close the candle in 4 minutes. And a lot of people are saying, I want the mug with their Apple emojis. So of course, very nice here. Give a Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe we're going to give away some Bitcoins anytime soon here. But I don't. For now on, it's just fun stuff here. And I mean, it's very exclusive, because I'm never going to sell them. Just going to give them away for fun here. That mug is cool. Yeah, it's just with the Crypto Rover logo on it. So I mean, if you really want to be an OG fan here, you can be the first one to win it, because it's the first ever giveaway. So yeah, I see a lot of people saying, someone is saying I should win it because I've never won anything here. So that's a very good reason. I want to win it. I want a mug. So a lot of people are saying so. So going to just pick randomly someone in a second. Let's say in 5 minutes we're going to give away it. So if you still want to win the mug here, you can go to the Instagram here, and you can just react to the recent post, and then we're going to pick a winner from there. So Let's look at Ethereum, what Ethereum right now is doing, because 48k, let's go. Sam, thank you for your 5 points for the donation, and let's go. Let's crush through the 48k for Bitcoin. Would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. Would be very amazing if we can do so. So yeah, Ethereum, of course, this is on 5 minutes. Want to flip this to the 1 hourly here, compared to Bitcoin. Still cooling off for a second here, but heading towards a resistance target, guys. This is very interesting because once we're meeting our resistance target, it can definitely be a very interesting level that we are probably are going to get rejected from off. But if we are going to break it, yeah, definitely will be very bullish here for the price of Ethereum. Very bullish. And Dan, I'm the youngest follower. I'm 12 years old and trading. Whoa, that's pretty young. That's pretty young. That's pretty young. Was away for an hour. What happened? A lot of interesting things here. Bitcoin going to close 4 hourly in a second here, and yeah, we will be looking to see this break also on the 5 minute here for the spiral channel maybe that we were watching here for a second. So I mean, yeah, very exciting times of course, and we will have to wait to see how this will go here. And still, guys, I'm just going to give the mark away right now, and I will look in the comments real quickly on my phone because I can see here all the recent posts here. So we'll pick the winner just randomly. I will just look at a very nice comment here. Let me see. Let me see. Someone is. Let me see. Let me see. Well, who is going to win it? I'm just going to scroll here. Just see if I'm just going in the comments here and see if someone is very nice here who's willing to win it. Because I already liked every single one, so I can see which one is going to win the mug. So going to pick the winner right away here, and I'm going to DM you, and I will ask your address. And don't be fooled by some scammers, because you really want to check the account, because there are also a lot of scammers. But I will ask for your address, and then I can send it to you, of course. So let me see. 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 Let me see who I'm going to pick here. Let me see. I see so much requests, and I want to give it to everyone. But I don't know. I don't know who I want to who I can pick here. Let me see. Let me see. I'm just randomly going to pick. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to pick right now someone. Sorry, I'm just looking to everyone. Yeah, I'm just going to give it to Chris. Chris, you are the lucky winner. Chris Villa. It is Chris Avila 100. So I will send you a DM right now, and I will say you are the winner. So Chris Avila, I sent you a DM here. Please react to my DM. I will go into this after the stream here, but you won the mug here. So guys, we will do this more often here. So make sure to also follow me on Instagram here. Pick randomly on Google. Next time we will do a new post here on Instagram, and then we will select all the comments, or we select a random number, and then we will pick them. Okay. But for now on, Chris, you won it. So send it you a DM. I will react to you after the stream here. So I said to you, you're the winner. So please, if you have any time here, you have to react here. So Chris, you won here. So very nice. Very nice that you won the knock here, and we are going to give away more stuff here, guys. Don't worry at all. And going to close this 4 hourly candle here in any minutes here. So guys, we will be looking forward to it, and going to give away more stuff here. Congratulations, Chris. Yeah, guys, Chris is a lucky winner here of today. So of course, looking to. I only have 6 pieces right now, so I'm going to order probably some more. But I was just a quality test here, so very funny, of course. 4 hourly candle going to close anytime soon here. Chris, let me know. Whoa, I can't believe I won the mug here. Chris Avila, very nice that you won it, and yeah, very glad for you. Very glad. it's only a mug. It's a very minor thing here, but just more kind of a funny thing here, of course. So yeah, that's also the reason why you do want to follow us on Instagram here. Just trying to give some things back to you guys as well here. But yeah, still very exciting for this 4 hourly candle close, guys. 5 minutes away here, and then we're going to see this very interesting 4 hourly candle close, because 4 hourly candle closes are very important on the Bitcoin price chart. And I mean, You can see on this chart, you can set up multiple levels here on support. But let's look at Ethereum real quickly here, because we haven't looked at Ethereum for a longer period of time here. But yeah, I can set up some rectangles here. We can set up some rectangles here to maybe identify some support levels, some resistance levels here, because yeah, you can see this line was holding up pretty strong here for Ethereum. Once again, giving you a very good buying opportunity. Yeah, we went below it, and that was making me a little bit scared also. But yeah, for now, I'm still seeing this good bounce from it. So looking very strong here, and Bitcoin still getting rejected, but still 4 minutes away here from this candle close here of the 4 hourly, and there's a pretty green candle here in the 4 hourly, so that's pretty nice here. Pretty nice. That's pretty nice here to see. So of course, looking forward to it. ADA predictions for today. I mean, ADA is right now just cooling off for a second here. So, I mean, yeah, we do want to see ADA climb even higher and higher. But do have to wait and see how this will go here for ADA. Do want to see and how this go for ADA. And, yeah, I mean, you're right now seeing, yeah, this... Oh, wait. getting a super chat. I was... a little bit shocked here by your. I always hear a very loud side here in my ears. So let me see what you're saying here. I want more Ethereum high. Just donate five euros here, and you're saying, "Hey man, absolutely crushing it, crushing the market right now. I got 1K from my parents. I want to invest 700 in Ethereum and 300 more in Bitcoin. When would be your short-term case here? You're probably wondering, where should you really enter your Ethereum and Bitcoin right now? And 700 euros in Ethereum can probably give you very, very good returns in the coming month here, in my opinion. And of course, you want to look for the perfect opportunity. And right now, already seeing this green candle here, and you of course are right now thinking, okay, we're right now pretty overextended already. So it is because we're right now pretty overextended here. You think, okay, it is not very smart to buy into it right now, and I have to agree with you. But if you're going to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, very safe assets, you can still buy them with a very, very nice sell from the top here. So still a 26% decrease in price, giving you a very, very good buying opportunity here. So I mean, definitely, yeah. If you look to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, very smart that you're investing more of your portfolio right now in Bitcoin, in Ethereum than Bitcoin, in my opinion. So that is first of all a very, very good thing here. So. Yes, in my opinion, yeah, Ethereum definitely a good buy here. But where you want to buy it, of course, depends on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin can easily reverse to the upside right now, and it can also, easily reverse a little bit more to the downside here. So, I mean, very interesting what you want to say here about Ethereum and Bitcoin, where you want to get the entry in. But I mean, maybe you can dollar cost average. Maybe you can already. Just step into Bitcoin here, step into Ethereum, because it can be very likely that the dump is also over here. But it all depends on this the next few hours what we're going to do here. So very hard to say right now, because the market can still go 2 ways here. But I mean, if you're buying into Ethereum and Bitcoin, definitely still a good buy here. Ethereum sitting around $1,500 US. It's definitely a cheap buy here. Definitely a cheap buy here. Definitely is cheap buy here. But it's Chris, I see you. You're sending me DMs, and I will react to your DMs after the stream here. Once I wrapped up, I will. You get the address, of course, and then I will send you your mark here, of course. But I will do it after the stream. I will do it after the stream here, of course. So yeah, right now having 1,746 likes here, guys. Thank you so much already for liking the content here, and also for hourly candle close here in 1 minute and 35 seconds here. So of course, very exciting times here what we are randomly having here on the channel. Very exciting times. And maybe this new 4-hourly candle can also push us a little bit higher here, maybe push us above the 48k here. Will be very good for the Bitcoin price, of course. Richard also donated Xbox or PlayStation. I used to always have a PlayStation. I don't have a PlayStation yet anymore, but definitely I have to go for PlayStation, Richard. Last 2 minutes here, guys. Very exciting for the 4-hourly candle close. Only 1 minute left right now. Only 1 minute left here. Also, 4-hourly candle closes are also always very, very important here for the Bitcoin price, because it can really give a lot of volatility to the market here, and a flip to a low time frame here. Yeah, right now just the volume is not very interesting, so the volatility is not really that's significantly increasing here. But maybe in the last minute here. So yeah, we are flipping, turning into the green this last 5 minute candle here, 4-hourly candle here. Of course, very nice here. And in general, this 4-hourly candle is not that significant with the volume here. So it was just another 4-hourly candle here. So going to close this around 47.9k here. So it's a pretty good close here for the 4-hourly candle. And I mean, let's see if we can continue the trend here to the upside here. Any thoughts from IOTA? We'll look into it, William. Give me 1 second here. And we'll also announce the winners of the ledger, in a second here. In 5 minutes, I'm going to announce the winner as well here. And IOTA, I will look at the IOTA mine in a second. First, going to witness this 4-hourly candle close, and we just closed the 4-hourly candle around to 47.8k here. Very nice 4-hourly candle close. And yeah, let's see how this next 4-hourly candle will go here. Right now, immediately flipping at red, but not flipping out here or so. Not flipping out at all. But I mean, yeah, very nice that we have closed a very good green candle here on the 4-hourly. So we will be looking forward how this will end here. But I will look at IOTA for you, my friend. I will right away look into it. Let me check real quickly here. Did we reach new target? Only 9 likes, 9 subscribers away, guys. 9 subscribers away. Oh, we just smashed through this 21.8 already. It was showing that we were only 9 away, so already smashed through the 21.8k subscribers. So thank you so much if you're new to the channel. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And right away, we'll look at IOTA. And yeah, IOTA as well. Stealth uptrend getting created from previous price action. Right now, you're getting supported on this line. So, I mean, very strong here for IOTA. Looking very good here. And also this downtrend getting created here. I mean, this is looking very strong here. This is looking very, very strong. And of course, downtrend got him broken here. I will remove this line here of the downtrend here. So this Fibonacci level around to 0.618 is holding us back for a longer period of time already. If I look at this chart, so do want to see if this this breakout coming in here anytime soon here for IOTA. But in Bitcoin also above 48k here. Bitcoin doing a very good job here. So, I mean, if I look to IOTA, once again, it's finding support at this level. Very, very critical, of course. And I see you guys still smashing up the likes. Thank you so much here. But, I mean, still above this Fibonacci line. Doing a very, very good job here. But do want to see IOTA break the 0.618 as well. Because this is a very critical resistance line, as you can see here. Here, we had a lot of struggles breaking above it. But once we were breaking above it, you can see we retraced. And we couldn't hold the previous resistance as support. So, 48k, everyone's saying, goddamn, I stopped. Thank you very much for everyone saying 48k, guys. I will check Bitcoin in a second here. Give me 1 second. But, I mean, IOTA, yeah, do want to see the break of the 0.618 here. And then a very clear supportive bounce here, because this is not really clear supportive bounce here. Of course, you saw the bounce here. Couldn't hold it because Bitcoin was freaking out as well by then. So, yeah, I don't want to see the more voltage we're getting created, but yeah, right now still seeing a sale of approximately 22% here. But trading on the support line, what is very nice here. So I do want to see, of course, getting supported by this line here. And everyone's saying Bitcoin is surpassing 48k here. Yeah, and of course this new 1-hourly candle is flipping pretty nice into the green here. But it's of course very nice to see. And yeah, we can still draw this line over here, and if you draw it a little bit differently, yeah, you can see we still haven't closed the 5 minute above it, but it really depends on how you draw it. If you draw it like this, yeah, you can see no 5 minute candle closed above this yet. So I do want to see this 5 minute candle close above this line here. We're trying to push higher, but we haven't really clearly closed above this. So of course, looking forward how Bitcoin will end here and how Bitcoin will do here in the immediate short term here. I do want to see a break of this resistance line, of course, coming in here once again here. Maybe you're forming some kind of pattern in the immediate short term here. So would like to see how this will end here for the price of Bitcoin. Very exciting times here. Very exciting times. Didn't realize you were on Instagram. Just followed you. And I entered on been a sub on YouTube since 2k here. And Oliver, you're truly OG here on the channel. Sub since 2k here. Right now sitting around the 21.8k, guys. Absolutely insane, of course. And yeah, Bitcoin once again above the 48k here. Doing a very good job here, Bitcoin. I'm getting an allergic reaction to my eyes here. Not very nice here, of course. Not very beautiful. 48.5k, huge resistance. Yeah, probably. We're not just easily going to smash through it. We have to have a lot of strength here in the Bitcoin price chart. Have to have this in. Have to see how this will go, of course. Have to see how this will go here. Really want to break through the. Let's look at some moving averages, because people are talking something about moving averages. And I mean, if you look to the 1 hour, to the 5 minutes, of course, that's not very significant. I will flip this to the 4-hourly on Bitcoin, because yeah, 4-hourly flipping above this. Oh wait, I have to adjust this real quickly. If I look to Bitcoin here, you can see on the 4 hourly you have the 20-day moving average, and if you look at the 20-day moving average, you can see we're right now once again trading above it. And once you are below it, it's always acting as resistance. But once you are above it, it is acting as support. So this in the immediate short term, very good here. And you can see here, once we're flipping above it once again here, as you can see, we started a new uptrend. So I mean, this can definitely be a leading indicator that we can watch at. And also, Stick also donated. Thank you for your donation here. Thank you for your super chat once again here. And you are saying, is Mary Fork already priced into ADA? Launched tonight, ADA trade will be stopped temporarily to implement it. Might be opening higher after. It can definitely be so, but I don't know if you looked at exchanges, if you can already trade ADA once again here, because as you say, the Mary Fork is. I don't know exactly how they are doing it to ADA if they are right now offline here, because you say it's already launched. So I do think it's already implemented by then. So yeah, that can also push the price a little bit higher here. So yeah, we will have to wait and see how this will go. But yeah, I mean, thank you for your super chat here. And yeah, it can definitely open higher here if they are right now offline here, because people cannot buy ADA, but they want to buy ADA, but ADA is offline because they're implementing their new stuff, of course. So yeah, very excited guys, of course, very excited. Yeah, Bitcoin above this line, and if you look at the daily, we are still below it, of course. Sorry for touching my microphone. Maybe sounds a little bit awkward for you guys, but I mean, if you look to this chart, you can see still Bitcoin doing a very good job here, of course, on the daily time frame. But yeah, still clearing below the daily moving average, and always once you are below it, you're basically in a downtrend here. But yeah, it can definitely not last for long. In my opinion, it can definitely not last for long. We can easily reverse once again above this line here. It really depends on it. 1 hourly also above it. So I mean, yeah, of course, on the 4 hourly it was pushing it lower and lower, but right now we are above it once again. So I mean, I still feel rather bullish here on Bitcoin, to be honest. Chris Avila once again here. Thanks, mate, and a great channel with your cup of coffee. So yeah, you're going to enjoy your coffees because you're drinking out a beautiful mug here. So yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. To see you, maybe send me a photo as well of you drinking coffee out of it. But guys, I will already announce the first winner of the Nano Ledger X, and it would be very nice if he's also in the chat here, because of course a lot of people reacted here, and I already will pick the winner right now. I will pick the winner right now, and we'll put it in the screen here, because yeah, you had of course a very special message in my opinion. So yeah, we'll definitely announce the winner here live on stream. Just got 10k ADA as it was going very high. Very nice, good job. I mean, getting more and more ADA, very, very nice here. So also going to announce the winner of the Nano Ledger X giveaway. And guys, we will be giving away more and more winners here. I mean, we are going to give away more and more ledgers here once we are continuing higher and higher. So, of course, want to give it away to everyone, but I cannot make everyone happy here, of course. But I will try and do my best to give away a lot of things here on the channel. Any trade incoming? Yeah, we will be looking for trades, of course. For now, I'm still looking for hourly. I mean, if we look at the low time frames, yeah, you can still see we have this resistance line, but still 1 hourly candles, pretty green here. But yeah, of course, we will be looking for trades, but still, first we want to see how Bitcoin will react here in the immediate short term. We do want to set a higher high here. So I will announce quickly the first winner here, and the first winner here is Joris, and he is saying, I am the perfect person for this giveaway, because crypto flows through my veins. So I found it a very, very funny message here. So he also tags 3 friends here, so you're completely, and I see he also follows us on Instagram. So I will send you a DM as well here. I don't know, let me know if you're watching the stream right now here. And yeah, definitely would be very, very cool if you can, can let me know if you're one here. So we'll announce the second winner in a second, but I will send you a DM right away here. So thank you for your participation here, and I will send you the Nano Ledger X here as well here. So we'll send you a DM right away here, and make sure don't get fooled here. Check if if it is the real account, and let me know if you're right now also in the stream here. It would be, of course, very amazing if you're here. And I'm trying to give more giveaways here. And by the way, the delivery time will be at least 2 or 3 weeks here, because I see it's very, very busy, because a lot of people are buying ledgers. So it will approximately be 2 to 3 weeks here. So don't be worried. I will send you the confirmation, etc. enough fooling with you, but it will take 2 to 3 weeks before it is delivered. So I sent you a DM as well. So yeah, make sure to make sure to send me your address, and of course be careful here, because you can get scammed pretty hard here. So yeah, please be careful here, and please look out for impersonators. And we'll announce the second winner in a second here. So yeah, of course, we'd like to give more and more stuff away here. Today's live stream, we are giving loads of stuff away here, and also we'll give more stuff away here. He's winning Nano Ledger X here. So like I told you already, it can take 2 to 3 weeks before it's delivered, because the delivery time is pretty high here. But yeah, if you want to participate in the future, because we are going to do more giveaways, you have to know it. We are going to do more giveaways here, and only in bigger scale once we're growing faster and faster, of course. So yeah, if you want to join some giveaways here in the future, probably going to do a lot of on the Instagram here. So yeah, if you're joining, so also having 500 reactions on this recent post here. If you're joining us on Instagram right now, you can definitely participate more and more giveaways here as well. So we'll announce the second winner in a second here, but first we'll look at the charts a little bit more here. But I mean, if you look to Rakesh, thank you for your super chat once again here, your support, and you're saying, I have 2,000 ETN, should I sell them and buy ADA? I mean, you're buying ADA at an all-time high. I don't know where you're selling your other coins, and of course, cannot give you any financial advice here. That's not allowed here, of course. But I mean, man, this is. I don't want to be fooling you, man. To be honest, I don't want to be fooling you. But guys, please be careful of this, because you don't want to sell at the low here. You want to sell at the highs, right? In my opinion, if I look into the chart, I would not be looking to sell this coin. I would not be looking to sell this coin at these levels. Of course, I don't know the fundamentals here of Electronicon. If the fundamentals are very bad, of course, I will sell it right away here. But if I purely look to the chart here, you're right to trading once again at support here. And I mean, you would be stupid if you're standing at lows. And then you're buying into ADA, and ADA is already trading at all-time highs. I mean, man, you're just wrecking yourselves. Have strong hands here. Don't get wrecked here. And if you really want to get exposed to ADA, of course, I don't know your financial situation, but maybe you have to try and gather some more money here. Of course, never invest everything, of course, and no financial advisor, but maybe you have to gather a little bit more here, and then you can step into that coin as well here. But please, please be careful here, because don't get wrecked here. Don't get wrecked. Don't get wrecked. In my opinion, not smart to get full there. Where do we announce it? You're probably talking about the winners. We are doing it live in the stream, and I will send you a DM if you won it. And probably there will be a lot of impersonators as well, so look out for that here, because the cryptocurrency space, there are a lot of scammers here, guys, and you don't want to get fooled here. So we'll do it on the Instagram here. And yeah, I see you guys are massively following me as well here, and having 501 comments here already. But already, right now we're picking the second winner here, and putting it also in the screen here. Sell low, buy high. That is the way we ride. Yeah, I mean, that is not our strategy, man. That's not our strategy. We want to do the exact opposite here. We want to do the exact opposite. And I mean, guys, that is not our strategy to sell low here. We're planning to sell high here, and getting entries one here, and of course selling it is another thing. But yeah, you don't want to sell it at a loss or at these low prices here. Can I win an Apple? I don't think that will really work, because I have to send it to the other side of the world probably. That won't really work, because it already is spoiled by then, I think. So let me see. Going to announce the second winner in a second here. Why is Redcoin up 40%? Because it's a total meme, and people are buying it because it's cheap. And not meme here, because I mean Redcoin was the coin that I made my first money here, and it's up 40%. But guys, people are buying these coins because they think, okay, the ditches are very low, and that is the reason why they're buying it, because they think it's cheap, and it's usually these noobs that are buying it. So be careful, be really careful with this coin. Yeah, of course, I bought this way ago here, and it was this was making my first money here in the cryptocurrency space here. Of course, this coin absolutely exploded 60x here. I don't know. Of course, I cannot be mad about this coin, because it gives me so much returns here, of course. But yeah, I mean, should be careful with these coins, man. Should be really careful, because the fundamentals are absolutely zero. This coin is already around for a long period of time here, since 2016. So Yeah, Bitcoin still trying to fight back to the 48k here. Trying to fight back here. And if you look at the chain link here, multiple charts here, of course, because the 4-hourly candle also showed close for multiple charts here. If you look to the chain link 4-hourly candle close, this is not looking bad at all here, in my opinion, because if I look to this chart here, yeah, you can see downward sloping resistance was getting formed here on the 4-hourly time frame of Chainlink, and right now we broke it. So I mean, absolutely strong here, and I mean, yeah, yeah, it's looking very strong. It's looking very, very strong here. So, let me see. Okay, we're going to announce the second winner, by the way, here. We're going to announce the second winner in a second. The second winner of the giveaway here. So, quickly make a screenshot and put it in the screen here. So, yeah, of course, like I told you before, would like to give away more stuff here. That is also because we want to help you guys out as well here with the ledger. I want to simulate you guys to store your crypto safe here, and that's also the reason why I'm giving away this ledger. So let me know if you want it. Let me know in the chat, please, because I would love to see you live in the chat as well here. But the second winner here is Tim here in the chat here, and he is saying, let me see, let me zoom this in a little bit here. He is saying, I am an OG follower, and of course, guys, I didn't make the screenshot work clear here, but I mean, also saying congratulations on 20k here, but you're saying I'm an OG follower, followed you since you were below the 100 subs here, and don't have one yet here, and I cannot afford it, but I want it so bad here, and man, I want to give it to you also because I know you are already a supporter of the channel already for a long period of time, and already I want to give something back to you guys as well here. So congratulations on your Nano Ledger X, and I will send you a DM as well. And guys, it will come your way as well. And guys, if you right now not being picked here, of course, I want to give everything to you guys as well here. So Joris and Tim here, congratulations here for your Nano Ledger X, and can take approximately 3 weeks here till it is arrived, because it is taking a long period of time here. And I will send you a DM here on Instagram. So please be careful. And I will send it will come to your way as well. And guys, I know a lot of people say, "Oh, I didn't win here," but we are watching right now with 2,000 members. I can only give away 2 pieces, so the chance is already very low here. But I want to give away more stuff here. So of course, don't be fooled here. And yeah, I mean, we will check you in the. We will try, of course, give them more stuff away. Once we're also growing quicker, we are gaining more audience, so we also have to give away more stuff here, because otherwise it wouldn't be good here. So yeah, congratulations. Let me know if you're in the chat here, by the way. Let me know if you're in the chat here. It would be, of course, very amazing if you are. So you're a Legends Rover, and guys, I will give away more stuff here, and don't think that you're just missed out here. We'll try and do more and more stuff, because I want to give something back to you as well here. I want to give something back as well here. So let me know if you're also in the chat here. And guys, yeah, looking to Chainlink here, because we also want to trade here. We also want to trade here on the channel. I mean, if you look at Chainlink here, yeah, you can see downward sloping resistance line of 4-hourly. And this is looking very strong here, in my opinion, because we're right now going down here once again. And maybe we're meeting this line here. And then we can see finally blast off for this coin. So, I mean, like, looking very strong here. It's still in my swing trade entry. So, yeah, very nice, of course. Very nice, of course. And I don't think he's in the chat, because I don't see him in the chat here. But yeah, unfortunately that he's not live here. But I mean, would like to do the next time, maybe do some live giveaways here, because then you guys can also anticipate it live in the chat here. So guys, also I'm going to wrap up the stream here. Thank you so much for watching here, and of course I'm still recovering a little bit. Maybe I have COVID, so I will let you know if I know some more, of course, about it. But guys, thank you so much for watching here of today's live stream here. We are trying to do, of course, more giveaways here, trying to give something back to you guys as well here. But once we are doing something with a trade here, once we're seeing a clear signal in the chart, because we only want to trade with clear signals from now on. Also, the 4-hourly candle just opened here, looking for Bitcoin. What I will do here in the immediate short term here, trying to open more and more swing trades here for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space here. But guys, thank you so much for watching this live stream. And today, we're going to be back with another live stream, but it will be a different time here, because today I have to go away in the early in the morning. So today there will be another live stream, only it will be a little bit later here, but I will keep you guys up to date in the Discord server once we are doing a live stream here. And guys, we're trying to do this every single day for you guys, and I will be uploading every single day here on live stream. I try to do a daily live stream here, and if I cannot live stream here, oh, Tim is also here in the chat. So Tim, congratulations here. I see you just hopped into the chat here. But guys, thank you so much for watching this live stream, guys. I will check you back tomorrow in the new stream here. And guys, peace out and see ya.